Three, two, one, we're starting. Oh my goodness. Hello everyone, welcome back to the trading analysis video. In this video, we are going to see and you are also going to look into that what trades we are going to take in the next week. Next week is oh my goodness, that's 1 February, 1 to 5 February. What trades we are going to take in from 1 February to 5 February 2026. And guess what? This week I have literally missed almost $10,000. $10,000. I was incorrect, but didn't got the entry. So that is the reason I was working. I was doing the back testing, like how we can take the entries. And you won't even believe how much we have lost. I mean, not even lost, how much we have missed the money. So we literally miss a lot of like uh, for a January month we literally missed $29,000. I literally have the data. I will show you. Maybe I will show you right now. I am doing the back testing and I got to know that $29,000 we have missed. And on the first week of December, that is on 8 December we were going to have the payout, right? But before that, from 1 to 5 December, there was beautiful trade where we have missed almost $12,000. I will show you. Hold on. Trading things, backtesting 2026, and here we go. Look at this. Like on January 6, we make 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. On January 8, we technically lost, but this will be not the this was an invalid trade. We'll discontinue this. But 2,000 on 15 January, 15 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, 7,000, 2,000, 5,000, 2,000, 11,000 on December 1. And if we click on this, I literally have uploaded the video on the YouTube, like why in the world I will be taking this trade. The reason that I've embedded the video in this. And then the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute screenshot, 1 hour screenshot, 4 hour screenshot, daily screenshot. I'm thinking like how I can use this high Kanashi candle in my favor. So I'm like studying on this, but it is what it is. Like how in the damn flying fuck. This was so beautiful trade, man. The beautiful trade. It is what it is. We missed this. We missed a lot more money. You won't even believe. The data is saying that we have missed almost $29,000 only on January. Where in the January I literally missed a beautiful, like this was a trade. Why in the world I this was not the second one. I have predicted not even this, the next one. Yeah, I have predicted this. Yeah, this was only thing. I literally predicted this. I didn't enter into this trade. Like I was so crazy. I was doing this. I was traveling in the metro, heading towards office, doing the office, and at 2 p.m. we got this trade, and I was not in front of the screen. I'm in like I missed a lot of money, but how in the world I'm understanding have we missed money by doing the analysis, like from for like right now with 31 January, and we have took 3 4 trades, technically three, yeah, three, and then this week one trade. There are technically four to five trade averagely. And guess what I have found, that the first three trade was the not good trade. That was unprobable trade. That was a mistake, man. How in the world I have took the trade. That trade I have took, and all the three trades goes in losses because that was an intraday strategy. I must not be implementing to this bigger account, but I did, and I hit. I did the loss of almost 2,500 or almost $3,000. It's not a part of a game, of course. I will not say this. I just wanted to be honest with you because being honest is going to help you, right? So technical, this is what it happened. And I was like, damn, we are predicting the market like on some 28 January or 27 January. I was like, why, Rutesh, something is going wrong. We are predicting the market, okay, but we are not taking the trades because we are missing the trades. right? The third thing is, why in the world we are missing the trades? Can we catch them in somehow? Can we if we are doing losses, why in the world we did loss? What was the thought process of this? And also, like, why in the world we are not getting the trades? What makes it to not take the trade? Because now we are going to analyze the markets, and you will be understand you will literally understand what is going to change in this. But I was like, I was asking a question like, why we're not getting the trades, why we're not making money, what is happening to the market, why in the world we are hitting our stop losses, what is happening? I need to see. Okay, let's see. Let's go back test. Let's see on a January month, on first week of January. Let's analyze the data now, and let's see how we can make money on that, and why will make money. So I gone in January month. I mean, first week of January, as you can see, the 5 January, we take this beautiful trade. And I was like, I mean, I was like, damn, this was a beautiful trade. Damn, this is a good setup. Damn, this is a good setup. We can enter over here. We can enter over here. We can keep the stop loss over here. And I'm like, and after I see this result, and I'm like, Udesh, you did a mistake. You did a mistake. I completely understand like why this happens, because I was doing the multiple things. I was doing the office thing. I was traveling into the metro. I was I was working on the intraday strategy as well. That bullshit thing that doesn't work at all. So now I completely understand. This swing trading is the only the only thing is going to be work. Now now I'm understand. Like now I'm this confident. I haven't analyzed the market at all or up till now. Now we are going to do the analysis, but I'm this confident beta that we're going to make money in the next week for sure. Because I there is a big bit little bit modification. There is one piece of puzzle I have added into the strategy. Now it's again started working into our favor. And guess what? This is going to work like anything. That intraday thing is just a bullshit thing. I mean, why in the world? No, I'm definitely not going to look into intraday, because that right there is a scam. Intraday thing doesn't work. I don't know how it is working for other traders. I'm definitely going, after I get bigger, I'm definitely going to go to the intraday trading who's doing. I'm going to learn from them. But I'm not going to try it by myself. It is just a waste of my time. So this is what I have learned. So what I want to do, like, why in the world I'm saying to you, because I want to tell you, like, if there is something is wrong, there is always your mistake. And yeah, I haven't make money for almost 2 months. That's completely my mistake. I haven't gone and checked. Oh, this week is over. Let's see how we can make money. What was set up and how we have missed it. Can we take that trade? Can we tweak a little bit? Can we keep the stop loss like this? Can we increase this? And I haven't done that. And now I'm doing that. And now I'm understanding. Holy shit, there is a modification in this, and now I'm understanding, and now I understand. All right, let's do it. And now that is the reason I have backtested the whole January month, and now I have starting to backtesting the whole December month. So first week of December, I'm still on to it. I have shortlisted this amount of trades, and the rest of this also got. I mean, a lot of trades are going profit only, and these currencies are remaining. And guess what? The best part is the way I'm shooting and recording this video and uploading. I'm going to upload on the YouTube. The way now I'm doing the backtesting on the 1st December. The way I'm doing the shooting up right now, creating the videos right now, I'm going to upload the video of this analysis video. That same time, I have done the analysis of the 1st December and upload onto YouTube. And then I was like, okay, well, let's do it. I did the analysis after I learned some information. I did the analysis and I gone to that 1st December analysis video, I check why in the world I haven't, why in the world, what was my thought process for not shortlisting this trade? Why in the world I haven't took the trade? Why in the world this and why this, why that, why that? And I'm like, how fuck? I was bullshit. I mean, I was the waiting for the high probable setup, and guess what? Yeah, there is a high probable setups that is there, but I didn't saw the high probable setup at that particular on December on January. Now I can I can officially say that I have understand a lot of informations now. I have updated the information on my brain, and now I'm one step up from the previous version. So now I wanted to say I'm a updated version of the previous one. The previous one was God of Market. Now updated one is going to be what we can say. The money of the market? No, no. Market mover. Nah. That, anything. I don't know. I didn't come. I will. The God of Market Part 2. Version 2. We can say that. Alright, so I mean, why in the world I'm sharing this? I've made a coffee for me. That's the worst coffee ever I have drank. I'm, I'm going to resign from making coffee. Oh my goodness. All right, so is coffee is sticks into my face? No, no, no. Recording is on, yeah. So why in the world I'm sharing this? Like why I've invested my 11 minutes to share this? Because I just wanted to tell you that if the things are not working, see, you have to do analysis of why it is not working and update the things. If you're not doing this, you're killing yourself. So let's go for current market. I will just close this because it's just increasing. And guess what? This is the NZD JPY. I have missed a $10,000 on this trade. 10,000. I have predicted. I hit my stop loss by not waiting for the confirmation candle. I got early entry, and I shoot the gun on my fucking foot. That what happened. All right. So before we start anything, we have to do this. Now I have to drink that whole thing. Not gonna lie, that doesn't look good. Before we start anything, we need to read the trading plan and update the trading plan. All right. I'm just conscious about this. Nothing is stuck. Yeah. So, all right. Let me introduce you to in this video. So in this video, we're going to see what trades we are going to take in the next week. All right. Next week means 1 February to 5 February. All right. So in this video, there will be three sections. First section is going to be the updation of the trading plan. Okay. Second thing is going to be the before and after, what I have predicted and what has happened. We're going to look into it. And third section is going to be pure analysis of what pure analysis. And I'm going to start adding this last section. That is fourth section is going to be what trades we have shortlisted and what we are looking into that trade and when we are going to take the trade and why we will be taking the trade. Every single thing summarized in the last section. So if
It's
you
12
want, if you just
o'clock.
came for to check what trades Uddesh is going to take, go on a fourth section. I'm going to add that for now. From now, that doesn't look good. Trading. Okay, let's start with section one. Is going to be the updation of the trading plan. So before update, we need to read every single thing. It's just a one page. All right, so let's start. Trading success Shit. Yeah, you guys are also going to read. Yeah, I'm going to read every single thing because that is what reminding me to be disciplined. Trading, this is all psychology, okay? And you have to play with your psychology if you want to become a trader. Trading success shit. Goal to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equals to $1,000, which is equals to 84,000 INR approximately. Okay, but following, wait a minute, is my face is coming, okay, this up till here, so if I shift, my face is somewhere down there. Okay, that means it's completely, it's readable. I will still take it up. By following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which is equivalent to $4,800, which is equals to 3,98,400 INR. So long, what is my long-term goal, which is like 2-3 months after having 4 funded accounts, minimum of $300,000 per account, is equals to total of $1.2 million, and making only 4% per month is equivalent to 57,600 dollars. That is equals to 47 lakh 80,000 INR. It is easy. It is so easy to achieve. I'm just not gonna lie. It is super easy. And okay, my battery is about to die. No, not this. My phone. Why in the world I'm making coffee, man? Trading plan. Trades per week is equals to 3 trades we are maximum going to take in this week. Risk per trade is 0.8% per trade. I have to edit this now. Risk to reward ratio is 1 is to 2. Win rate is equals to 70%, which is technically average I'm taking. My win rate is almost 90 to 100%, but I can't put 100%. I wanted to be minimum. I wanted to put 50, but how in the world we will be having a 3 divided by 2? That is 1.5, 1.5. That doesn't work. So that is the reason I have to take 70%. That is 2 wins and 1 losses. Weekly outcome is equals to 1 loss is equal to minus 0.8% minus, and 2 wins is equals to make 3.2%. So net gain is equals to 2.4% per week. Let's not consider 2.4% per week. Okay, I have to scroll up. I know. We'll consider half of it. That is a 1.2% per week. So per month outcome is equals to 4.8% per month. We're taking half. We're taking half. If we are taking a full, that means 4 in the foot is 8.8, 8.8116, 8 9 9.6% per month total overall. That is equals to $9,600. That is equals to almost 7 to 8 lakhs. Nah, not 8 lakhs, of course. 8 lakhs is equal to $10,000. Almost 6 to 7 lakhs per month. But I don't want to consider. I want to just consider half of it, like 4,000. That is $3,98,000. 3,98,000 INR. All right, here let's come into the progress check. It doesn't look good. All right. So this is our challenge account, $5,000. We are down minus 1.64%. This is the second phase. Yeah, this is the second phase. I have wrote this here. Someone is making sound like anything. We are down minus 1.64%. That doesn't look good. Trading is negative and positive. But if you're in negative, reason is why if you are in negative. And I haven't analyzed that. Now I analyze. Now I know every single thing. So we are the second thing is $5,000 account. We are almost down. We are just wait. We need to look into it a proper detail. Because I have to be sure like what I'm doing and how we can not calculate our accounts. I just want you to do this. Okay, 4,609. Alright, so maximum permitted loss is $9. That's it. I'm going to add one more column in this. How I can add? Oh, max loss minus $9 I can afford. After $9, this account will get blown up. Now, again, I did the mistake over here. I tried the bullshit intraday trading on this account. Yes, I was trading the market, but I was not a trader made for intraday. That's why I was doing mistakes on mistakes. And I did the mistakes and I sucked up. Technically, I wanted to lose this account. You know why? Because I in one company I have two accounts, and this company is saying that if you have two accounts or more than one account, it is very high chances that you will get involved into copy trading, which is not allowed in us, which is not allowed in our platform. So I was trying to lose this account, but I failed to lose that account, and we are still $9. After $9, it will completely blown up. It will breach. It will be lost completely. But I will. I mean, now I'm understanding I did a mistake because if I, that is very low chance that it is going to happen. But if I lost this account $1 lakh, I must have the backup account, which is this. So technically I'm losing. I haven't have the backup account, and don't I'm also down with this big account. Also the big account doesn't looks good. I will show you the stats. I'm really literally being honest with you all. Hold on. Let me drink this brutally bad coffee. That was a sigh. Alright, so maximum loss we can have is my 2225. That is the worst. That right there is the worst thing. Oh no. Why in the world is okay? I was again. It's all my mistake. I will not say this and that. I will not blame market. It's all my mistake. I was doing a lot of things. I was trying to do this business lecture. I was trying to do this YouTube lecture as well. How I can grow on YouTube. I was I was not I was focused on this, but the reason was the December in the December month the market doesn't move, and that's why we don't have any trade. That reason I was using for that technically that reason I was using, man. And I after I did the back testing and I was like, yeah, bullshit. That reason is bullshit. That reason doesn't work. That there was a beautiful setup, beautiful trade. I literally miss a lot of things. I must slap myself for doing this. Now I am completely ownership of. I'm completely accountable of what is happening right now. You won't believe this is going to be, and it's completely okay. I know how I can get out from this thing. So we are down minus 5.74%. Minus 5.74%. 5.74%. Space, not space. All right, the balance, where you can see, oh, 94,255.05, 94,255.05, 94,255.05, 94,255.05, 94,255.05. That's a dollar. So now, alright. I think so. I must be also adding one more max loss. Okay. Dollar need for break even. Dollar need for break even. I wanted to add it. So let's not technically consider this. Let's focus on this. Why in the world I have to this intraday? If I won't be able to, I mean, I did this intraday on this, and I got psychological push to take the same trade on this for because I was looking for making money. I will be honest with you. So that is the reason I have take the trade and all the three trades goes into loss. And that right there is not a good trader. A trader should not get. I'm getting very good day after day after day as a trader. So we are improving day after day after day. Just on this. Yeah. All right. So how much money we need to make to be a break even? So how much? 5,740. I just calculated by this percentage. 1% is 1,000, 5% is 5,000, 5,740. But I wanted to be. Can I open the calculator over here? I am new to this max still. I can't. 94255 94255 94255.05 minus oh 100 123 1 lakh dollars is equals to 5,744. Oh, I was correct. 5,744.95. So 5,744.95. Am I right? 5,744.95. 5,000. Let's use comma for to make understandable. Dollars. Good sign. Can I? No. 5,744.95 is the dollars I have to make to be at least break even, and we can do it. Now I'm this confident that we can do it. It is so simple. Within 2 weeks we'll be making it. I have planned for it. I will share you. Okay. All right. I'm doing this not good things. Okay. 5,744. How in the world we are going to make it? Max loss is 2,555. How much trades we have to miss to lose 2,255? So if we're taking a risk of $800, and oh yeah, I'm going to be sure about this. Wait. I wanted to click on what the fuck. So I have to click on this. Install MT5 on Mac and install that auto what it is lot size calculator EA exponential average. No, EA nahi re. EA. So that is a robot. It just calculate instantly. It instantly calculate the lot sizes, which I really need it. So yeah. So if we are taking the $800 loss, so if we are losing 3 trades more, 2,400 will be losing. We can't lose that much as well. Damn. Okay, so okay. We can't take risk $800, and if we can't lose 3 more times. If we're losing 2,400, right? We even can't take the three trades. I have to reduce the risk because now my main goal is not to make money. My main goal is to come to a break even. Technically, we should not adjust this risk to reward. I mean, we should not adjust the risks per trade, but just I am bit conscious about the capital, because if I'm losing this amount, if I'm losing this account, how much trades I have to take to lose this account? Almost 2.5. 2.5 doesn't work. Almost maximum of 3 trades. I will maximum of 3 losing trades in a row. I will miss this account. I will blow this account, and I don't have even that much capital to go and purchase one more account, and I don't have time to pass that account again. That will be so not good. Rather than doing this, let's reduce the risks, right? Right now my main goal is to capital preservation coming back to normal. So rather than taking $800 risks, I'm looking for taking $500 risks. How much trades I can lose to be losing this account? So if I'm taking 3 trades, jeez, look at this, 5,000, 1,500. So I can technically miss 3,136, 500 times 6, 3,000, not even 6. Ew. 500 times 6, 5. How much? 5? 2,400. 2,500, right? No, not even 5. 500 times 4s are 2,000. Yeah, technically we can miss 4 trades, which is just one trade more than losing 4 trades in a row. Is not a technique. This is not a logical thing. This is never gonna. This is not going to happen at all. You'll be like, yo, this you lose 3 trades in a row in a one day because I took the intraday trading. That's a most biggest mistake I've took. So I can't 500. Wait. If I'm risking 500 at times, if I'm losing 4 trades in a row, I will be down $2,000, where we'll be having the buffer of 225. Losing 4 trades in a row, I don't think so it is going to possible. But I still want some kind of buffer. 500. How about 450? 450 about 5. 2,250. 2,000. This looks good. This looks good. I want this. Let's now reduce the risks almost. 8 1 4 4 4 to the 8, right? Almost half, kind of half percent. We are risking $800. Now we're going to risk 450. You know why? Because I want more chances to make money, right? I can, right now I have 2,225, right? I can literally risk every single thing on one trade, and I will be only having one chance of making money. Either I miss, either I lose, or either I make money. But if I'm risking $4,550 per trade rather than risking $800, if I'm risking $450, I will be having 5 chances of making money. What is the probability of making money? 5 chances or just 1 chances? Of course, 5 chances, right? That is the reason. The more I am having a chances, the more I am having a lot probability to make money, because I'm a god of market. Okay, I'm a god of market. I have 90% of 90%. So if I am taking 5 trades in a, this is very impossible to lose. And guess what? If I lose in this week maximum of 3 trades, right? 1, 2, 3. So I will technically losing for the 12. 1,350 dollars I will be losing, but I still have 2 trades in my hand in the next week, right? Very very high chances of making money. Like, this is what I'm saying. If I'm down, I don't care, because I know how I can get out from this. And now we are down. Now I know how I can get out from this, and I'm literally sharing this with you. And this coffee, not good. Ah, I can feel the powder. Why in the world I'm making the coffee? I should stop making it. So, yeah. How about 500? Oh, sorry. 500 times how much trades we can take? 4, right? 500. We can't take 5 trades. Exactly 2,500, because there is no much. But how 4 trades, right? So if we're losing 3 trades in a week, 500 times 4. I'm not having, like, I don't have that much amount of confidence that 500 is sufficient amount. Like, 4 trades, losing 4 trades is sufficient. Should we go back to the 450 then? I just have more chances. 450, and I can risk $10 and have a lot of chances. But no, I don't. I want to have the logical chances. Logicable क्या होता है? 450 times 5, 2250. Like, this is the thing. 2250. Yeah, this is. I can completely risk 5 trades and lose 5 trades in a row, and losing 5 trades in a row is impossible. I'm having a 90% chances win rate. Okay, let's not consider 90%. Let's consider 50%. Now here's going to be match. Let's open the Excel because we have to tackle this SHAAT. Google shit. GWOGLE SHAAT. Now we have to tackle this. See, this is a situation we need to be as a trader to have to handle like this situation. Because if you can't handle the situation, then you're not a trader, brother. You're just a gambler. Okay. So I'm typing, but it's not typing. Oh, trades per. No. Okay, risks per. We didn't even start it to do analysis because before I do the analysis, this is the most important thing. All right, risks per trade is equals to, we're going to take $450, right? And win rate is equals to, win rate means how much trades we are going. Max trades to loss is equals to 5 trades. Okay, take care. Understand. Sorry. All right. So max trade, we can take this 5 trades. Just let me just confirm it again. I just wanted to confirm $450 we are going to risk, and how much trade we're going to take? 5 trades. The total loss is 450 times 5. For total loss 2250. How much we have right now? How much we have? 2255. 2255. Okay. I just want to double check, because what's wrong in double checking? It just increases the probability of we are being correct. Risk per trade for $50. Maximum trades we can take to loss the account is 5 trades. If we're considering win rate, WN, RAT, win rate of 50%, that means this is an odd number. How in the world we can consider 50%? How about 60%? So divided by 2, 5 divided by 2, how much? Now I have to calculate 5 divided by 2, 2.5. Not good. I need help of CAT GPT. Okay, what? Hello there. What is the 59? We can't take 50. 55% of 5. 2.75. Nah. 60%. I need. Yeah, now we got. So we at least. Okay. 60% of 5 is equals to 3. I can't take 50 because it won't work, because that's an odd number. Minimum of 60% we need. That means how much trades we're going to win? 60% of 5 is 3. 3 trades we're going to win. Trades win is equals to 3. Trades TRADES, trades loss is equals to how much? 3, 4, 5. 2 trades, right? Technically, as per mathematical, from this 5 trades, if we consider 60%, I have 90% of the win rate. Win rate means if I'm taking 5 trades, how much trades is going to win? So I have 90%. If I'm taking 5 trades, 4 trades are going to win and 1 trade is going to loss. I have that much of win rate. So we are considering 60%. That means if we're taking the 5 trades, From that, 3 trades are going to win, 2 trades are going to lose. I just wanted to take the bare minimum to be a minimum. We're 100% sure about this because we can't touch minimum because we are so above that we can't touch this minimum thing. But I just wanted to calculate the minimum, the base ground, so it will be still having a lot of buffer. So win rate is 60%, trades win 3, trades losses goes to 2. Then if we're winning, risk reward ratio, risks reward ratio. Risk reward ratio is equals to minimum of 1:2 because that's a mark. We gonna have to take the Atlas and Atlas 1:2. Not good. Not bad as well. Risk reward ratio is 1:2. So how much money will make total? No, not total. Make by no. We have to be short. Trades win, money make. Trades win, money make. That means this trades are going to win, right? So if we're taking the 1:2, then how much money we're going to make? So we are risking 450, right? So that is equals to 450 times 2. Is this so? Oh wait, this is not the correct cell we should do. Or we can. Oh damn it! Now I have to refresh. I hate this Safari because look at this I've just messed up with the shits. Look at this. Look at the cells, and if I have now I have to yeah. Now it got back. Okay, so now how much trades we wow. Bing 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 bing. So is equals to 450 times 2. Technically this is not अरे क्या चल रहा है यार it is what it is. Calm down. So this is not the correct box. I was thinking, yeah, this will be. If we are risking 450 trades, we'll be making. If we are risking $450, we'll make $900, right? So how much trades we're going to win? 3 trades. So 3 times 900 is equals to 2,700. Okay. I want this to be in middle. How much will we lose? That is still not sufficient, but it is what it is. I mean, that is how we can calculate the bare minimum. We're going to lose. Man, this is so small. I want to zoom this. Can I did messed up, yeah. So we're going to lose 2 times, right? So is equals to 450. We will be $450 will be losing. Again, right? Times 2. 2 times we will be losing. So total of where it is. I messed up. No, I didn't. So we'll be. This is crazy. Now it's making sense. So how much we'll be losing? 900. Yeah, this is messing up. Oh, hold on. Let me just zoom out. It's messing up around. I will only increase the font size. Can I zoom this? I want this zoomed. There is no bar for zooming. I will just. And I will increase the font. The more the spaces we can show, I mean, the more the space and more it is. सुटा को क्या बोल रहे हैं? This is so big. Am I doing time pass or what? All right. So this is a rescue plan. So how much we'll be losing? $900 if we are risking $450, right? We are going to lose two times. So we'll be losing $900 total. So total money make is equals to profit minus loss is equals to $1,800 only. Oh my goodness. That right, that looks good. Okay. Okay. Once we make damn. Once we make $1,800, that means will be $1,800, right? So this is a bare minimum. This is we are planning now. So we'll be having $1,800 to 1,800 plus 2225. 1,800 plus 2225, right? 22 nine, yeah, 2255. Or we'll be having 2,000. No. I am I doing something wrong? 2,255, right? 2,255 will be having. We already have right now, and we'll be making $1,800. $1,800. Then we can risk 4,000. Then we'll be having a lot of buffer. This will be a time that we can risk $800. We can get back for risking $800 once we have the buffer. Right now we don't have buffer, and if we start risking $800, 810 to 60, 804, 842, 8540. Nah, hold on. 4,055, right? Hold on. Let me just type. Recording is all right. So today total money will be making 1,800. So now we'll add up 1,800 with the current max plus. Okay, so now what's current max loss? Current max loss is equals to 2,255. I want to comma separated. Comma. Okay, current max loss is equals to $2,255. So money will make with 5 trades. Money will make with 5 trades. I don't know any shortcuts, so please. This coffee, I'm still drinking this coffee. Why you are not getting finished? There are a lot of coffee there. So $1,800. I just want to type this because if my mind got okay, we are safe. There's nothing to get afraid of. Then I can make decision correctly, because before I do analysis of trading, I wanted to be psychological stable. I wanted to be in a trading zone rather than thinking about money zone, because I want to prove my mind that we are safe. Don't worry. So total after balance BALNC is equals to absolutely $4,055. Then we can start. Okay, let's type the note. After this, we'll back to $800 risk per trade. Absolutely. So after we back to $4,055, then we'll back to risking $800 per trade. $800 risks per trade. Now it make more sense. If we're risking then $800 per trade, then how much trades we can lose before I blow up again? 4,055. 800 times, how about 5 6, 4,800. Oh, that's a exact amount. No, that's not an exact. $800 times 6545, 4,000. Look at this. Now we'll be having a lot buffer. And then losing 5 trades in a row is impossible. We'll be always keep making money. We'll be stacking up. Now you understand this is how we should be avoiding the very big drawdown. So now we got to understand. Okay. So now and guess what? I just consider 1:2 risk reward ratio. Technically, this week I got 1:10 risk reward ratio. If I will be risking $450 in this trade, technically 450 times 10 is equals to $4,500. In only one trade, I made 95% of the losses. We are down almost 5,000. We make, right, we are down, right, 5,000. We'll be making 4,500. So only $500 was remaining to make, which we can cover up with this. The next trade, second trade, was GP and ZD. Now over here I missed almost 2,000. Not this. Yeah, almost $2,000. So for 5 6, no, of course I'm thinking I'm risking 1,000. No, 8 ones I will be risking 800, right? So 8 ones that was 16, 1,600 over here, and 8 tens are 80. Oh no, we're still risking 450, right? So 450 tens are this, and 452s are over here. 1:2. 452s are 450 times 2s are 900 plus 4,500 in 1 week. In only 2 trades in 1 week, we'll be covering up all our losses, and even going, no, not going. We are down 5,600, right? Let me check. 5,700. Yeah, we'll be cover 99% of our losses within 1 week. So this is the thing, and I'm considered the bare minimum. The bare minimum. So when we'll be making money? When we'll be having the payout? When will we start making money? Let's calculate that as well. Because if we don't know, then it will never happen. My, I am done with sitting like this. I need a chair. Hold on, man. I need a chair. I can't sit more. I'm still drinking this coffee. Hold on. I will bring a chair. Oh my goodness. We'll sit in background. Hold on. Because the light is gone and I can turn on the lights, so we have to sit in the balcony. So the balcony view is not good. Hold on, I will just finish this coffee. Mm. Let's go. Yeah, I know. I need to wash my face. Just a second. Alright, boys. So we are back, and guess what? The views is not going to be good. Of course, I will say, because you can see that Lastun thing. Lastun is getting hang up around me. I will just increase the lightness, because if I sit on a sofa, there is no bit light, so it will be weird. I just want to see. Look at that. That rider is not professional, and I'm sitting below Patra. It is not looking like I'm a millionaire. It is what it is. Fuck phone app. हॅलो. नाही, जेवण करून जाईल ना. तुम्ही आले ना तर जेवण करेल आणि मग जाऊ. हो, तुम्ही कधी येणार आहे?
मला तरी 1:30 वाजेल म्हणा, 1:30-2.
बर बर, चालेल. ते रोहित येतोय 4 वाजता.
बर,
चालेल.
रोहितला मग तिकडच बोलून घे ना, नाही तर रोहित आल्यानंतर ये मग तू बघ ते कसं म्हणतो.
बर बर, चालेल. बघतो मी कसं करायचं.
हा, मग ते संध्याकाळचं जेवण वगैरे आहे ते तिकडच होईल ना.
हो, चालेल तसंच करतो.
तुला जेवण मग ते पोरांना नाही कुठेतरी चक्कर मारून आलं ते.
हो
हा,
हो ना.
4:30ला आला ना तो,
हा
नंतर मग त्याला घे.
हो
संध्याकाळी पोरं उठतात ते
हा
कुठेतरी चक्कर मार, नाही तर त्यांना आहे ना वाड्या बागला आणि ते हे जे आहे ना
हो
स्विमिंग टँकच्या समोर जे आहे ना ते मोकळं आहे.
हा हा
तिथं लोक फुटबॉल खेळतात, व्हॉलीबॉल खेळतात.
हो हो
तिथं मोकळं मग ते पोरांना खेळता येईल जरा.
हो
तिथं घेऊन येऊन जरा पोरांना खेळावं तास 1.5 तास
हो
उठल्याचं,
हो
आणि परत घेऊन जा.
चालेल ना.
है की नाही?
हो चालेल.
हा, आतमध्ये ग्राउंड मध्ये घेऊन जा.
चालेल ना, तसं करतो.
आतमध्ये तिथं ते आहे तर थोडंसं खेळावं जरा तिथं.
हो
काय त्या प्रिन्सिपल जरा ते.
चालेल ना, तसंच करतो.
ठीक आहे.
हो चालेल. ठीक आहे. बाय. Battery is not looking good, brother. It's just 27%. Like, how in the world it got just drop like anything? And nothing is on, man. $26. It's a 26. It's like a time bomb. It is about to die. We'll look into it. So now, now you saw my dad. All right, so let's calculate how. अरे यार, किधर गया? So let's calculate how much days we will be requiring. Let's keep like this. Camera. Yeah. Screen for camera angle is perfect. I'm sitting good. Should I increase this length? No, not today. Okay. Wait a minute. This is up till here, right? No. This is up till here. So my box is coming right there. Yeah, this is the best thing. Okay. So now, how much days it will be requiring to come back and make profit? That we have to also calculate, right? Okay, so 5 trades, right? So 5 trades in a week. We take 2 trades, 3 trades. Let's calculate time calculation of first profit. PROFIT, profit. Time calculation, the first profit is equals to how much? 3 trades maximum we're going to take. Trades per week. It's a maximum we're talking about. Damn it, this is not looking good. Alright, I will just do like this. Down below. Time calculation for the first profit. 3 trades per week. Need 5 trades of 450 days. $450 risks. Need 5 trades of $450 risks to make $1,800 at least minimum. Okay. I am just going to change this format from this to this. Yeah. So now I need 5 trades. So how much days? Like 2 weeks. 2 weeks is equals to 3 1 तुला कोण सांगितलंय करायला it automatically printed 14 days 2 weeks equals to 6 trades 6 trades right 2 weeks is equals to 6 trades that means 2 weeks is equals to $1,800 I'm considering I'm losing 40% of the time this is not going to happen at all so 2 weeks is equals to $1,800 okay got it perfect awesome discount I can use asymmetric compounding as well, man. I have to note this as well. Wait a minute, I can do this as well. Ah, try to figure out the compound. Asymmetric. TRI symmetric compounding. Spelling is wrong. Compounding. Compound COMPOUND in compounding in your trades. Damn it, it's not getting correct as well. Alright. Just so easy, just click over here and then you will see. ठीक है बेटा, writing tools I don't want you now. But if I'm ठीक है जान देगा जाओ दे रहा battery is about to die fuck this 26% it's not looking good that phone I have to find a C to C type or else I will be dying right 2 weeks is $1,800 right so then we will be back to $800 risks so if we're taking 3 trades and we're considering half of the time we'll be losing that means equals to 1 point now we're going to back for the 0 point new plan risks $450 that's it so then we'll back for the risk point 0.3 trades right so we will be winning 2 wins 1 losses so weekly outcome is 2.4% per week 2.4% right then after 2 weeks when that is equals to $1,800 then third week is equals to third week is equals to how much will you making how in the world is typing automatically third week will be risking back $800 then we'll make it 2.4% that is $2,400 is that true yeah absolutely 2.4% per week $2,400 so now man this is going to be require a lot of time so I'm just not understanding man 2 weeks right so 1,800 see 2,255 will we have right now right and our goal is to reach to how much 8,000 right no our goal is to reach 5,000 but if 5,000 comes then we'll be break even right then we'll start making money I just want to 94255 even though I know still I have 94255 minus 1 lakh 100,000 10,000 lakh 5,700 yeah exactly so 5,744 is our target 5,744 comma separated 5,470, what is it, 74, right? 5,744 5,744 is our target. So this is current, this is a target. So in the first 2 weeks we'll be making 1,800. So this is going getting add up. So now is equals to this plus this. So now will be, oh, this is easy. This is fucking easy. Look at this. So now this is the 2,000 plus 1,800. The will be back around 4,055, and our target is 5,744. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. And then this is a 2 weeks data, right? After 2 week will be kind of big, and on third week will be making almost $2,400. So this plus $2,400, 2,400, and we will be up about 6,455. That means will be up about is equals to how much? I have to calculate this. So this minus, no, that's wrong. This minus this is equals to $711. That means $700 will be up above on the third week. Okay, and the fourth week will be making almost 2,000. So okay, on the third week will be in profit. I just wanted to, I'm doing the calculation sure because I'm very poor in maths. That's why I'm using calculators. So okay, on 2 weeks on no. Yeah. After 2 weeks, we'll make $1,800. So we are up about 2,255. Let's calculate 2,255, right? Nah, I mean we have maximum loss. We have 2,255, right? And then we will be start risking 800. Then after 2 weeks. No, sorry. We have 2,255. So now we started risking $450. So how much will we be making after 2 weeks? As per the data, we should be making minimum of $1,800 plus $1,800, right? Wait, I'm messing up. Yeah, exactly. Now I got. So let's make it simple. 9,400 to 250 94,255. Okay, let's do this again. Same current, CURRENT current. Now this will be simple. 9,000. Let's copy this, but the format 9,400. Okay, this for. I thought it will copy with the format and it will mess around. 9,200 94,255.0 94,255.02, and a target we need to be at least break even is equals to 100 123,000 and dollars. Dollars. Oh, that didn't print that. Oh, it's not print. Fuck it. So how much difference we have? This, no, bigger minus smaller, bigger minus smaller. So we have difference of $5,745. So we current balance is 94,255. Now this is not, this got so clear picture. Current balance is $94,255. The target is equals to $1,00,000, but to be break even. Target for break even. Text wrapping. Yeah. So current target for break even is equals to 1 lakh, and difference is equals to 5744. That means this minus this is equals to this much we have to make to be break even. So now on the first 2 weeks from now, after 2 weeks we'll be from now we'll be risking $450 for next 2 weeks. How much we will be making after 2 weeks is equals to $1,800 we'll be making. So how much is equals to this? Oh, sorry. This plus $1,800. This plus $1,800. That is equals to 96,000, right? So we still have the target for the break even in this. So we'll be seeing does the difference got low. So how much we need to make now? We need to make 3,945 now. So on a third week we'll be making $2,400. So now we'll be add $2,400 in this plus $2,400, 98,000. I'm just not sure are we doing correctly or not. Over here, that is what I'm saying, man. Over here we're getting into profit, and over here we're getting into just struggling. But this looks like a real data. Current is this. Okay. Current is this. After 2 weeks we'll make $1,800. So we'll be adding $1,800 into this. So this plus $1,800, right? Then now we have to refresh this. Sorry. So now again back. This is our current balance. So after 2 weeks we'll be making $1,800 bare minimum. So we'll be adding $1,800 into this balance. So it is becoming how much? This much. Okay. So now on a third week, how much will we make? $2,400. So on a third week we'll make $2,400. So 96,000 this plus 2,400. This plus $2,400 is equal to $98,000. Third week and fourth week, and after fourth week we'll be making again $2,400. I That's the bare minimum now. $2,400. Um, so is equals to this plus $2,400 we'll be making on the fourth week is equals to now we on a fourth week we are now heading back to the profit. Now on the fourth week we'll be in a profit of 855. If we are considering we're making $2,400 per week, but let's not now this is the bare minimum we are talking, like this is the baseline, but I want to double this time frame. Okay, so for uh, within 4 week will be start making money, right? But I don't want to consider this 4 weeks. I want to consider double of the time. So within 8 weeks, within let's type this over here. Within 4 weeks will back to profit. Back to profit. Let's do this. But let's consider your double time. So
It's 1 o'clock.
within 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 4 to the rate 8 weeks. Within 8 weeks will back to profit. I'm not considering 4 weeks. I'm just wanted to give a double amount of time, a real double amount of time I just don't want to lie with myself. So within 8 weeks, we'll be back to profit. Okay, so now this is the whole scenario of how it is going to be happen. So now we know that minimum of will be requiring 4 weeks to be at least to be in a profit, right? So now what if I consider 8 weeks, and what if I say within 8 weeks we'll be making 100% guarantee money? This does I've proven my maths, right? So that is the reason I'm having a lot of guarantee. So now I'm on the calendar. Wait a minute. This has the calendar, right? Calendar. Oh, it does. So how much January, February? Let's zoom this up. Today is 31st. Over here we are 1 February. How much within 8 weeks it says, right? Where it is. Within 8 weeks. So, weeks we are talking about, not. Okay, we are over here. This will be easy for calculation. Is it? Is it? Is it? One, two. No. That's not good. That right there is it. 1st February, yeah. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. Within 8 weeks. That means on the what is April at the on the April no galat again it's a bit messy, man. Why in the world this has this motions? This should be a stop. It's a bit messing around. Okay, so one, two, consider one first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, sixth week, seventh week, and 8 weeks. So this is a March 28 March, 8th week. So the end of at the 28 March, at 28 March 2026, 2026 will be making profit 100% guarantee. So what is spelling of guarantee? GURENTEE. That's not even spelling, but I don't know. Just wanted to do this time in spelling correction. At the 28th March 2026, we'll be making the profit of 100% guarantee. That's a max max timeline. Minimum time will also we have to calculate 4 weeks. So now we'll go for 4 weeks from now. That is this 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of this February 28 will be in a profit. Max timeline should be low. Minimum timeline. This must be bigger. Man. I just can't read it. Get big. Damn, this is not looking good. Huh. Minimum timeline is equals to at how much? February, ending of the February. First, second, third, fourth week. At February 28, at February 28, 2026. Damn it. That doesn't look good. Will be making profit 100, not 100% guarantee, 50% probability. All right, so now this is how we have to go for. This is how it is going to happen, brother. This is the only thing is going to happen. We got our maximum timeline. we got a minimum timeline, we got a maximum timeline. We know maximum 8 weeks is going to take for making money from the market. Maximum, if every single thing is awesome, minimum of 4 weeks is going to be requiring. And yeah, on the fourth week, minimum on the fourth week we'll be making money if we are considering 1 is to 2. Basically, this is see, this 4 week is the minimum we're talking about. But the 4 week we're talking about 1 is to risk reward ratio, but technically we get more than 1 is to, like 1 is to 5, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 somewhat. So this timeline is also going to get less, if we start making more money. So the more bigger our risk reward ratio is going to be, the more quicker we'll be get back to the profit. I just wanted to say this. So this is not minimum we are talking about. This is a max. Let's talk. This is not a max. Like how I can say. This is like a. This is a max. This is a mid, and this is a max. This is a minimum, and this is in middle. So 4 week is in middle. So 4 week is in middle timeline. Within 4 weeks, we'll be easily being making money, but how I want that maximum time period as well. Let's consider, oh, what if we don't make money within 4 weeks? Then how much maximum time I'll be requiring to start making money? That is the 8 week. It just can't go up than 8 weeks. It just can't. I can give 100% probability, 100% guarantee of this. So that right there is the game plan. So now we understand what we are. Now we're going to risk $450 per trade. Okay, let me summarize what is going to be happen now to time calculation profit. So let me summarize what is going to happen. Right now, up till now, we have took $800 risks per trade. But now we are so down that if we can just afford two trades, two to 2.5 trades, 2.5. Let's not take 2.5. We can afford only two trades of losing of $800, and I don't want to do that. I want to be have maximum chances of making money. That is the reason I'm reducing $800 loss per trade, risks per trade. From 800, I'm reducing half of that. I'm going for $450 per trade. With the $450, I can lose 5 times in a row. Losing 5 times in a row is technically impossible. Technically, so this is how I'm getting chances more towards making profit rather than doing losses. So we can lose five trades in a row, and now we're going to risk $450 per trade. And how much days, how much weeks is going to take to get back to the profit is equals to minimum, not minimum, yeah, 50, yeah, minimum. Let's talk about minimum of 4 weeks, that is end of the February 28 will be start making money, will be having the withdrawal on the February 28, or the maximum of 8 weeks, that is on the April, no, March 28. On the March 28 will be withdrawing our profit. Now I have understand. I feel like vomit, man. That coffee was not good at all. So we know every single thing. Now we are not now we are not in the ocean without any Google map. We are in ocean, and we know where to go, and how much distance we have to travel, and how much time it was going to take require to distance travel to that distance. We know exactly what it needs to be. Welcome to 6 hours to profit. Look at this. We know exactly what is going to happen. Just wanted to follow the rules. Now, this is the plan to come back. Plan to come back in profit. This is already I'm going to start. I'm going to create the copy link so that I can paste into this. Oh damn. So up till now we averaged 0.8. Now we'll be risking $450 per trade. 0.8 is equal to $800. So 0.4.5, 0.45 risk per trade we are going to take. So plan to come back in profit. All right, boys. All right. Did it. So this is what we are going to sum up our. Oh yeah, we haven't sum up till now. This is still remaining. What is a yeah? This was the worst thing ever. I have took the intraday down minus 4.8. This is not good at all. 26 January to 30 January. What we have took? We took almost one trade. 26 January, 30 January, 26 30 January. We are down almost minus 1%. 27, 26, right after 26 I took this trade. We hit the stop loss of, damn, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. We are not good. I mean, that calculations of calculating lot size is not correct. That is why I'm going to download that EA. It will automatically calculate. Look at the loss, $900. Rather than 800, it lost 900, and that trade gone to profit of, damn it. But just because of this loss, I understand something is wrong. Something is wrong with this. Something is actually gone wrong. Then I started looking and backtesting, and then I found a lot of things. You won't even believe what I found. So now, I did minus 9 point. I have to track it. So I'm going to calculate. So overall, we are down minus 5.74%. That doesn't look good. Minus 5.74%. Minus 5.74%. So what was the reason we can add? The reason was I didn't waited for doji candle on daily. Nah, that was all, and that is only the thing. I'm going to calculate now week 6, which is this, which is from 1 February 1 February to, no, 2 February to 6 February, 2 February, acha, 2 February 2026 to 6 February 2026. Target is 1.2%. This week, technically, this week target is 1.2%. I mean, minimum we are talking about, the bare minimum we are talking about. Technically, our target is going to be almost 2.4%, but we're considering half of it, right? Over here we saw it. We're considering target is going to 2.4, but we're considering half of it, 1.2%. So that is the reason our target is 1.2%. Oh shit, has this gone down? Alright. So, battery is 21% of my phone. About camera, that lesson not looking good. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Wait, I'm not sitting very well. I must be sitting like this because now for almost 1 hour and 29 minutes we have calculated this. Man, that is super not good. So now I want to write this 10% profit. We are going to do this pretty soon. Pretty soon. So now I will close this. I will also close this. I will also close this. I will also close this. And yeah, let's finish this. Notes: consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan. Stay patient. Focus on executions, not on emotions. One plan, one process, one goal is equals to freedom. That's it. That right there is our. That right there. We have finished this section one of our video. That is the, what is section one of the video? That is the updation of trading plan. This was the most important thing. Was the most important thing. Now I also updated the link over here so that I can just click on this link and directly go to that. Oh wait, 6 hours to profit. I plan to come back in profit. So yeah, this is it. So let's close this trading plan. Close. Now we can officially go back to. Now we can officially go back to section 2. That is the before and after of this for prediction. And guess what? I'm not gonna lie. This week, the prediction was almost 100%. Not almost 100%. Just go back in time and check it out. Wait, I have decided to do this. I will only go back and I will show on the previous video what I have predicted and what does happen. I must not see anything. Directly go to the prediction. Uh, like the video, full prediction. Oh no! 2 days. January 26 to 30 January. Okay, this is a prediction. Look at the date I have uploaded 4 days ago. Now we'll go in the last section, that is the recap. Coming on Monday. Okay. So now I'm summarizing. Technically, what we are waiting for over here, we're waiting for 1 hour candlestick closure on this box, candlestick closure on the EMA. We can do the EMA 50. It is going to get bearish. I want 50 minutes to go bullish. Wait, the camera is getting recorded. Yeah. All I'm waiting for in the Euro CAD. So now I will pause this right now. I said on Euro CAD I'm waiting for this is to come down and it is going to go up. Let's go on the Euro CAD. Now you will be shocked. Euro CAD. Here we go. Look at this is what I've predicted. I missed this fucking shit trade. कोण आलं का? कोण आलं का? अच्छा तुम्हीच आहे का? आलो आलो 1 मिनिटात आलो. हो आलो लगेच आलो लगेच आलो लगेच. Oh my god. look, the situation is right now. The, the battery is down, the water has gone, and the light is not there. So we're back. We're back. What's the battery? Once it's 15%, then we have to struggle like anything. Alright. I will not prefer to do the full screen because it doesn't look good. I prefer to do default view. Yeah, now it looks more accurate. Look at this. What I've said.
And to go Polish. That's all I'm waiting for in the Euro.
Look, in Euro CAD I have said it is going to come down, it is going to go up, and I have uploaded this video on 4 days ago, and this was a prediction of this trade. Look at this, it just gone up. Hold on, does my dad came? Yeah, my dad came back. We'll be back. Wait. Let me confirm. Okay, we'll back. Alright boys, we are back. This is going to be section 2 of this video, of this full backtesting. No, not backtesting. This weekly analysis. What trades we are going to take in next week. I have end up the first section of the video. If you haven't watched, that's a pure analysis of how we are drawed on almost 5.7%. How I'm going to cover a 5.7% and going to profit how every single calculation I've done. So now in this video we're going to look for before and after. Let's do this. So in the before and after, in the before and after, like someone came. Look at this, and now I'm going to start this. I'm just going to
On this box.
go on my video which I have uploaded 4 days ago and see what I have said in that video and what has happened.
Closure on the EMA. We can do the EMA. 15 minute is going to get bearish. I want 15 minute to go bullish. That's all I'm waiting for in the Euro CAD.
Look at this. Euro CAD is, my prediction was come here weak and then go up, but my eyes haven't catch up that it has already done this, so it is going to technically go upside. So my prediction was correct. This is going to go up. My prediction was exactly correct. Look at this. My prediction was exactly correct, but we haven't able to took the trade because it haven't retraced to this EMA, which I was waiting for. So that is the reason I haven't took the trade, but we technically missed this beautiful trade like anything. This was a trade, like look at what I have predicted has happened to the perfection, but we won't be able to take the trade because I wasn't able to see that the retracement which I was waiting for, it is already done. Now we are going to go up, which haven't saw that, and I missed the trade, but the prediction was correct. Look at this, exactly. Now let's go for next prediction. I will just exclude. I will just add what I have shown to you in more to it. Okay.
On Monday, we'll be going to check out.
Hold on, man. Just give me a second. I'm just checking camera. As that came down. Oh. Camera is so device is offline. Is that leave? Just wanted to make sure because now the things has changed a bit. Dad didn't like the trading now. Again, I have location of that, so I can track because I have location of my mom and also location of that because now they went out, so right, so need to track their location because anything happens, I must know where they are so that I can go and help them. Right, that is the reason. So it is not moving that much there. He's in office only. He says it is going to come at 1:30, so we'll look into it. Because if he saw I'm doing again analysis and trading thing, he will blow this laptop. He will throw this laptop out. Need to be cautious now. A bit cautious until I make again money and show them that this thing is working. Alright, so the next is
30 a.m. when about to start the London session. On the Euro USD, I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the box. Then I'm waiting for the daily rejection candle, and then I can able to take the trade to the upside.
okay. So my prediction was coming down, close, and then go up. Look at this Euro USD. We again missed this this beautiful trade. Let's look at this. Look at this. This was exactly my lines. It just gone up. It haven't retraced. It haven't came down. It just pushed to the upside. It just pushed to the upside. Literally. And that was about, oh my goodness, this looks so beautiful. The next week is going to get filled, man. Going to make money a lot. So again, my prediction was it is going to go up, but I haven't took the trade because I was waiting for retracement and then it is going to go up. That is my prediction was correct. The second prediction was correct. All right. So next was
GBP USD, the same thing. Same thing. There is no difference. Waiting for the daily candlestick closure, daily candlestick rejection, and then push to the upside.
saw that GBP USD again where it is GBP USD. Exact same prediction that is going to go up. I need retracement and it's going to go up. It haven't have retracement, haven't took the trade, but it certainly gone up like anything. But I missed the trade. My prediction was correct, but I missed the trade. Let's go to the next thing. This next is oh
USD JPY, on the other hand, I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the box, and then I can able to I'm on the daily candlestick closure on the box. I'm on a daily rejection candle on the box, and then I can take the sell trade to the downside.
okay. This is saying that it is going to retrace and then it is going to go down. Look at this. USDPY melted down. I have predicted what was going to happen. Now it looks so beautiful for selling. We'll come on that, but we'll first see this. Eh, I was predicting from here. I was saying that it is going to come and retrace over here, which haven't happened. It just melted. My prediction was correct. It is going to go down, but how it is going to go down, when we are going to take the trade, when it is going to have the retracement. I haven't took the trade that because there was no retracement. The prediction was correct again. This was again the correct prediction. We have clearly predicted 4 trades in a row with a 100% win rate. Now the next is
GBP USD on the other hand, I'm on daily candlestick closure to the on the box, rejection candle, and then push to the downside. Basically, we can say like this.
okay. I was waiting for retracement and push it downside. Now GBP NZD. Let's see what GBP NZD is saying. GBP NZD. Here we go for GBP NZD. I was literally the prediction was started from here. I was saying that it is going to come up and then it is going to go down. It didn't technically come above, which I was waiting for candlestick closure on the area of interest, but now I'm understanding that there is a very big pushes moves, so it is not going to come on the area of interest. I was going to take the trade over here, which I missed. which I have missed a lot trades. So prediction was correct. It is going to retrace and it is going to go down, which also happened. It retraced and it is going to go down. But I haven't took the trade because there was no clear candlestick close. I was waiting for clear candlestick closure on the area of interest. But the prediction was correct. Retrace and go down, which has happened, but I haven't took the trade. Again, same again adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades I have predicted in front of you and shows what is going to happen. Look at this. Now
Technically,
next
this is
is
what I'm actually waiting for. USD CAD on the other, the same thing. There is no difference. I'm waiting for exact same thing for on everywhere. Daily candlestick closure on the box, daily rejection candle, and then push to the downside.
okay. USD CAD I said retrace closure and then push to downside. Look at this USD CAD. USD CAD. Just look at this USD CAD. It has retraced. We missed this trade. We missed this trade because yeah, that technically I will be waiting for this candlestick close on the area of interest, but it haven't closed on the area of interest and we missed this trade. Prediction was correct that it is going to come up and retrace and then go to the downside. It certainly started going to the downside from the day it started. It haven't retraced, haven't took the trade, but it has gone down. I have said it is going to go down, which gone down. Again, my prediction again got correct. Gone. So last is NZDJPY. Let's see what happened in NZDJPY.
NZDJPY on the other hand, same thing. Daily candlestick closure, daily candlestick rejection, and then push to the upside.
Okay, NZDJPY. I said it is going to come down and it is going to go up. And look, I am not looking good. In fact, NZDJPY, right? Look at this NZDJPY. This was the trade. This was the trade, man. Just look at that. Just look at that. So so beautiful. I was saying that it is going to close, candlestick close on the area of interest, which does close on the area of interest. But then I must be waiting for the rejection. See what I have said. See what I have said. I haven't followed the rule.
Daily candlestick JPY on the other hand, same thing. Daily candlestick closure, daily candlestick rejection, and
See what I said. Daily candlestick closure. Which this is a Monday candle. This is a daily candlestick closure. Next, what I said, a daily candlestick rejection. So now we got a rejection candle, and then we should be taking the trade. We miss we miss this trade. When I took the trade, when this daily candlestick closure happened, then I took the trade and I hit my stop loss. NZDJPY thing. And after I hit my stop loss, that was the rejection candle was going to happen. That is creating the stop losses that takes a lot of stop losses. Then after that, we gone up. My prediction was correct. My prediction, look at this. My prediction was retrace and pushed upside. My prediction was exactly correct, but I took the trade because I haven't waited for the rejection candle, which I said over here. See, again, I will repeat again.
push. Daily candlestick closure, daily candlestick rejection.
See what I said? Daily candlestick closure, then daily candlestick rejection. After this candle, I must be taking the trade, which I early entry and I hit my stop loss. But if I follow the plan, I must be taking a trade over here and I will hit to take profit for sure. But there is one con. I will miss the trade because technically I as I have understand, I will be waiting for the candlestick closure above this candle or above this candle. Which candlestick close so above, I won't be able to take the trade. If my older Uddesh version was going to take the trade, if, but just because of I hit the stop loss, I missed this trade. I predicted this all the predictions. Then I done the back testing, then I done some kind of analysis, then I did some modification, then I saw, holy shit, we can take the trade out right there, and we can easily ride up to 1:10 easily. So again, on this
NZD JPY. My prediction was exactly correct, but we missed. We took the trade, we hit the stop loss, and also we missed the profit. Look at this. Like the reason the, the reason we have hit the stop loss, I checked the reason, I modified the strategy, I've back tested it, I got a lots of data, and now I'm a new version of Uddesh, our trader. Previous version was I was god of market. Now I am the market. Ooh, that's a great dialogue. So, look at this. I have predicted all of these currencies. I have predicted all of these currencies, and exactly what I said has happened. The only thing is, I took the trade without waiting for confirmation candle. I hit the stop loss, and then trade played out, and rest of the currencies also have played out. I missed the two trades this week. Beautiful. So now this was a before and after. So now we are going to go for we are going to start the third section 3, that is the pure analysis of what trades we are going to take in the next week. We're going to look now. We have to do the analysis of all of these currencies to make sure that we are going to take the exact and high probable setups, because we are going to take the high probable setups. Man, this looks good. This does looks good. So I am like, before I do any analysis, I am having a lot confidence that we're going to make a lot money in the next week, a lot, to be honest with you, and I'm literally sharing this with you. Yeah, I must be crazy enough, right? So before I do anything, I have to close the some of the tabs which is not needed. Okay, the recording is on. Okay, camera angle is on, screen is shareable, mic is on. Just wanted to check it. Calculator off. This tab is off. Just wanted to use all of my concentration on this. So yeah, let's do it. GBP CAD. Here we go for GBP CAD. So this is the structure. This is the resistance, and this is the support. I mean, this is the area of interest we can talk about. Showing the slowdown, but I did like the daily, like looks so beautiful, so pretty good. We'll look into it, man. So this is the area of interest of the weekly. Now my analysis got so perfect, you won't even believe. We just need to tweak when and how we're going to take it. That is only is remaining. That piece of puzzle is need to get attached, and that piece of puzzle I have practiced a lot for 2 months, for practice on a 2 months data within these 3 days, within recent 3 days. So I'm got so good in analysis. So this got created the higher high. Now it has created a doji. Why in the world it is going to create a doji? Is it getting a rejection from this resistance? Is it? Or is it going to create a doji candle over here to go up? Tricky, right? This looks a bit messy. It just can't. I don't know. This is the area of interest, actual area of interest we're talking about. This is the actual area of interest. I think so. This is going to go up. Now I'm saying about thinking things. I think so. This is going to go up because whenever we are above, we're buying, so we should be buying. Yeah, that is only thing. Look at this. So we are going to close over here, and then next week is going to. This will be the higher low, or it is started to come down. The only thing which I'm not looking for selling over here, because the daily. I will come on a daily, but before I come on daily, I must be clear about my prediction of my higher time frame basis. Whenever we are above, we're buying. So right now we are above, and this looks so beautiful. For It is like a rocket is getting fuel out and then it is going to push to downside. But also it is looking like it is going to go up. We need to look into back. Is there anything? There is nothing. So it is in middle of the road. It is not on the area of interest on this or not on this. So now we have to take the other time frame into our hand to make the decision properly. But is, wait, let's go on monthly. And next month is going to start. What is senior manager? Oh, the next month is going to get started from, yeah, in the market. This is like the lower low, no, lower high, lower low. Sorry, yeah, higher high, higher low, high potential, higher low to create the potential new higher high. So now, if the new monthly candlestick is going to get started, it's gonna have to create the wick to the downside because it is going to start over here. It is going to create the wick to the downside, okay, and then it is going to push to the upside technically. Okay, so now a lot of things are saying that it is going to go down after it started because the wick need to get created on monthly. Once it start from here, it is needs to create the wick and then it is going to push to the upside. Makes sense, a lot makes sense. So it is going to go to the downside. Okay, we must be looking for selling now, but the daily looks so pretty good for buying, man. Why in the world it is saying that it is going to go down? Now I really like this trade, man. I will. The daily looks good, but the 4 hours doesn't looks good. Saw the difference. You are not a trader, right? So you will not be able to see what I'm saying. It's a bit tricky. It's going to if this has created the higher high, this has created the higher low. It must continue to go up because there is no rejection. There is no reason for it going down because if it wanted to go down, why in the world it has comes up? Makes sense. It came up to make new high. Right. As per what I can see, is this is only the thing which I can able to see. This is the this structure. You know what? It's tricky. It's a bit tricky. I really don't like this currency, but I need to find out what is going to happen. It's going to start exactly as per the monthly analysis. It's going to start. It's going to come down. Week. Wait, where it is? Yeah, week into this structure. Weak into the structure. So now if it is going to weak into that structure, that means daily is going to come down. Daily is going to have the candlestick closure to the downside. This daily will be still bullish. Once this daily is created a downside candle, daily has this area of interest as well. One, two, three, four, five, six. Does that came over? Yeah, this looks more precise than whatever it is. Okay. So as per the monthly, it is going to weak into this. That means it will I just don't be able to see that it is going to create the candlestick closure on this. But that makes sense. Okay, monthly analysis make sense. You know how right now 4 hours is creating the lower lows and lower highs. It has to close below the structure to create this as a lower low, and then it is going to close above and then will be closing up. That right there is going to be creating the 4 hours bullish, and then we can easily start going up. Makes sense, huh? Make fucking sense. But then it is going to close the candles like this, and then we'll be having the engulfing candle. Ooh, on the daily. But then why in the world it has created like a doji? Hmm. I have to take the other currencies as well for making decision. But I mean every single time frame is getting supported for this monthly that it is going to weak. But wait, if it is going to create like this, then it will be the lower low on the weekly. Going to create the candle like this, but if it is this kind of started like this, weak, and then come back and then got bullish, is this is going to be make sense. This will be this I'm pretending that this is going to be exact kind of is going to get printed over here. Wick and then body up, wick and then body up. Bit tricky, huh? This trade is not that probable because it's a bit tricky, yeah. Hello, beautiful bullish. Okay, I have to take the deep breath to provide the oxygen to my brain to increase the thought process. If this is going to create the lower low, then it is going to push your downside, which is technically not a good thing. But it's like we're buying the highest high of the move. Also, we got getting sideways. Uh, nah, we're in the high, in the sideways. I don't like this. I don't know, but I don't like this, man. No, no. I just I don't like this currency. I mean, I like, but the way it is like, it is like this and this. Just imagine if this candlestick is getting printed over here. Mm, let's delete this first. Oh, the week will be like this.
Can this happens? Can this is going to happen? What do you think on this? Hmm? I like this, but the way it is creating it will be not the higher low. I think so. It is going to weak and it is going to close like this. So that this will be the higher low, and then it is going to create one more blue candle. Then it is going to push to the upside, and that is how it is going to happen. But the way it is creating, this is a weekly time frame. It must reject on the weekly structure, not in middle of the road. There is nothing for rejection right there. Nothing. Like we're blind. Nothing for rejection on a daily basis. And this looks daily looks so beautiful for buying. On daily basis, yeah, there are a lot of structure is saying that it's going to go up. But on daily basis, we don't want on daily basis, right? Look at the battery. Oh my god, this is a 13%. Oh no, this is 12%. It's dropping like anything. I have to find C2C to charge the phone from Mac. I'll just close this. The phone will fall, night will broke. Will only keep it down. कठीण आहे बाबा, कठीण आहे, कसं करायचं? I mean, I don't know, man. I will keep this in loop, but it is not looking good on a weekly basis. I don't think so. I mean, if this is going to create such kind of candle, then what will be the lower low? I mean, higher low. It has to create the higher high before it create the higher low. Because it's so up, it's in the middle of the road as well. This is the higher high, right? This is the higher high. It must create the higher low, right? But it haven't created the higher low. Can we use the same principle over here? It is a higher high. It must create the higher low, but it haven't. But the way it is having the sellers coming into picture, like, all right. So my prediction is going to be this is going to go up. Okay. This will be the lowest probable, and I'm forcing this to be get a trade on this currency. But what I want is I want the 4 hours to go bearish and then go bullish and then close engulfing candle like this. Over here there will be a red candle, and then there will be a blue candle, and then I will be taking the trade like this, and then it is going to go up. That will also create the wick to the downside of the monthly candle wick to the downside. And then we'll start pushing to the upside. It is going to have the rejection from here, so this will be our first ever take profit. This is a bit tricky and this is a bit advanced, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so you might be not be able to understand what I'm saying, but this is this. I really love this currency here, but only on a daily. I didn't like on weekly because weekly we are so not looking good stage. I just don't see that this is going to go down. This week it has created, it has to get filled. This is very high potential that is going to go very high. I will show you the example if I can. This is the week. This is got filled. This is the week. This is got filled. This is a week. This is going to get filled. Finding something which I can able to find.
It's 2 o'clock.
Oh, you know what? Personally, what was that? What was that? You know what? Personally, I didn't like this currency. I'm going to type over. I'm definitely going to type over here. I didn't like it. But if I will be taking the trade, and this is so big. Yeah. Looking for buy. Probability is low. Risk is risk is high. Looking for buy 4 hours to go bullish. 4 hours to go bullish. Daily to give bullish engulfing candle. So now we are weekly bullish. This is so important. Okay, now I understand this 3 time frame must be in line. If it is in line, then there's very high chances that we're going to make money like anything. For us is bearish, is it? And for us is bearish. The 4 hours is bearish. Other 4 hours is technically bearish. So we're going to pump to the downside and it's going to go up. So I want 4 hours to go bullish. So we will be having very good amount of trade. This is my last option. I don't know why, but if I if I'm getting what I want is for us to go bearish, that is going to go down, and daily, and after that daily is going to have the engulfing candle like this. And once we got this engulfing candle, the 4 hours will get bullish, and then in the next day we'll be taking a trade. That means Monday, Tuesday will be having engulfing, Wednesday. So we'll be taking a trade on Wednesday. But when I will be taking a trade, sorry, I will be I will be doing the analysis again because it's a bit tricky, I just didn't like this currency, but still we can have the trade over here. This is low probable, but we can have the trade over there. Next is Euro USD. Okay. We are buying on the highest high of the move. Wait, how about monthly? Monthly. Oh, this is so super cool, super cool, super cool. I know what is going to happen. This is what is going to happen, brother. This is this, and this is this. Even we can extend this because I want this fair value cap to get included. Alright. That's a very, very big area of interest.
I didn't like this area of interest. Let's redo this. This is a highest possible area of interest. This week has created it must get fill. Wait, let's delete this. Technically, I will be waiting for older Uddesh will be waiting for the candlestick closer to the downside, and then we got the doji, and then it is going to go up. But the way it is creating the things, can we can we have any structure down there? I was looking for 2021 data. Yeah, we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 2018 data. 5, 6, yeah. Um, yeah, this looks good now. 1, 2, and then over here 3, 4, and over here also we will be fine with this. So we'll be weak into this and we'll be pushing to the upside. Is it what is showing on a daily? Okay, daily. I do need a daily to be good to be true. And this thing is loading, or this thing is not there. Okay, there is data is getting load. Fuck it. Oh, stay on the page, of course. Huh. Uh, 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 We can little bit modify this currency. I mean the area of interest. This 1, 2, and we can take this, but let's keep it weekly. Sorry. So I want week into this, and it is going to push to the upside. Oh, how about monthly? Monthly. Yeah, this looks how good. Look at this. We got exact fair value cap into capture. Exact. Exact. Um, Look at this. It has created a big candle. Then it comes back to the field fair value gap. Then it pushed to the downside. Again, it comes and then comes back, fair value gap, push to downside. Same way, it is going to come back, create the full wick up till over here, and then it is going to push to the upside. Wait. Monthly. There is no structure on the monthly. A older version of Uddesh will wait for this to week into this area of interest, not this area of interest is it will be fine. But whatever I'm able to see the push, man, the battery is getting down. The push has to get fill. Like this wick created, it has to get fill. This wick created, it has to get fill. This wick created, it has to get fill. But this big wick, it haven't got fill. this week is going to get filled or what? Okay, we'll look into it. Now I got to know like what we want. I still want the daily time frame. Daily is bit outside of the zone. Can we organize a bit? That will be super not good. How about this? Ah, yeah. Now looks good. Yeah. I mean, the daily was far from the area of interest, but now daily is on the area of interest. Bit tricky, but this is what advance. If older Udesh was there, he will not be taking trade for sure. Look at this. One, two, three, and if we go back, there is a 4, 5. A lot good structure we have in our hand. Ah, what was that? This haven't got saved. Oh, damn, I hate this. Ah, thank you. Let's save it instantly. Okay, but the way we'll be buying will be so on the top. We're buying right there. Not good. Not good. Personally, I will wait for the candlestick to come over here and then I will be taking the trade. But the way it is, there is no week created. This week needs to get filled. A lot of things also daily is on the area of daily have created this higher low. If it is going to create come over here, that will be so good. Daily EMA is also going to get into picture. We'll look into it like what in the world we can do it. Can we do it? 4 hours. I need 4 hours to go bullish. That's all. 4 hours has came below the area below the EMA, which means this is going to come down. Yeah, it already came below. Now I'm a bit tired of this now. I'm a bit tired of this. 45% battery. How about this? Oh, this is train. Yeah, we can survive. I will be doing this until 5% battery is about. This is create a lower high. This is a bit bearish. Okay, as per I have learned, I will wait for this. First, I will wait for the retracement candle, then I will wait for the rejection candle. Okay, this is what I have learned. Let's wait for the same thing. Daily rejection candle. Then I need 4 hours to go bullish. That's all I want. Daily rejection candle and 4 hours to go bullish, because the reason, like the thing is going to happen, that is sure. The thing is going to, this week is going to get filled. The only reason is how and when it is going to get filled. Okay, and I somewhat believe that this is going to fill in a next week, because there is no week to the downside. There are a lot of pressure down, selling pressure down there. So this is going to get filled. Now we have arrived on the area of interest. Now we need the rejection of the from the area of interest. If it is came down, brother, I will definitely not take the trade. You know why? Because how I can show to you. It's going to create this red candle, bearish, and then in the next week it is going to push to the upside. This looks so brilliant, bullish. This is what I like to take the trade. I don't like to take the trade over here, but now I have updated my version. I'm just checking this lightest game, but it haven't. I'll wait for the rejection candle on the daily and then we'll decide what to do. But technically, it is going to go up if and if this haven't given the rejection. Wait, on a daily basis, it haven't given the rejection candle. If this candlestick closer below this box, I am done. I will be not taking the trade on this currency for the next week. I will then, if this candlestick close below this box, then it is going to create the red candle on the weekly. It is just going to mess around. It is just going to mess around, and the next week will be pushing to the upside. That is what is going to happen as per the data and as per I know. It's all depend on yeah, the 4 hours as well also got bearish. It is going to do this, and it is going to get bullish, and next week and it is going to push to the upside. I think so. This is what is going to happen. It is what solely depend on the how the Monday candlestick is going to close. If the Monday candlestick close on the area of interest or inside the area of interest as a doji, then I will be very then I will be very much interested to take the trade for buying. If the Monday candlestick close below the box, then I lost the interest and I will wait for the whole week to finish the trading, and next week I will be taking the buy trade. That right there will be most high probable than taking the trade right now. You know what? I must not take the trade right there because that just doesn't work. I will not take the trade. I will definitely wait for it. Fuck what I've said up till now. I will wait for this red candle to get formed. I don't care if I miss this trade, but certainly I just can't take the trade right now. Even though it looks that it is going to go up, I don't like this trade. I once this candlestick closer, weekly candlestick closer below, then I will be very much interested to take the trade because I don't think so. It is going to. I think so. It is going to go up, but not enough because it has low time frame saying the same thing. Daily EMA is also coming over here. A lot of things. If it is going to push to the upside from here, what is the chances of pushing to the upside? See, monthly, if we go on the if we go on the higher time frame, the monthly is going to create the week and it is going to push to the upside. It's there. Create the week up till here and it's going to push to the upside. But just imagine this blue candle got formed. Let's imagine this like I'm giving a lot of time for doing analysis before I was not doing this. This just looks good. Like creating the weak up till over here and this can push to the upside. My thing is paining now. Man, both side looks good, yaar. This does looks good, but if we are buying, we must be buying somewhere over here. Must not buy on the highest high, because if the retracement is going to happen, will be cook. Wait, what I've learned, let me recap that. So what I have learned up till now that we must be wait for the retracement, and it is going to push the upside after the retracement. We must not buy on a top stop. Yeah, technically we are buying on a top stop, yeah. I need to take the help of the GBP USD. You light are light away, charging. Okay. Put the phone on charge. Now we're good. At least for some time. This is also going to be need to be charged, but I should be doing. I'm just finding the things when it comes over here. Finding the weak created and that got filled on this top. Okay. Something I found. This is a very big अरे यार लाइट गई थी नहीं लाइट नहीं गई मैंने लाइट बंद की दिस इज अ रिजेक्शन ah look at that what I got now it got more clear now I'm comfortably see that this is going to happen. So look at this and this. Whenever we are above, we are buying. I will do this. Whenever we are I will just sit like this. Yeah. The recording is on. Oh my goodness. For 1 hour, I'm just still on this first. Whenever we are I just tilted this camera. Whenever we are above, we're buying. Whenever we are below, we're selling. Whenever we are above, buying, selling. And right now, we are below. This is not going to work. Also, we first of all we are below, and we are buying on a top stop. Second we are buying on a top stop. Third, we are not having the retracement, so it is very high chance that we're going to have the retracement. Bam, discarded. Ah, damn, thank you. I was not finding a reason for discarding. Now I find the reason for discarding. What the? What is going on with this currency here? What do you want it to do? Oh my goodness. I like this currency. I just like this currency like anything. Is this create the? I don't think so. It has created the higher low. Because higher low is, man, this looks so brilliant.
I like this currency. I just like look at this. Is this thing looks like the higher low, or is this thing looks like the lower high? Look at that. This looks so brilliant like this. Look at this. Brilliant. Rather than looking the higher low. Doesn't that make sense? That means weekly is saying that it is going to go down. Okay. I certainly have very very high chances that it is going to go down. It must change the color. How about monthly? Monthly, what's up monthly? Oh my. How in the world I'm so good. I am just so good at this. Salute to myself. Look at this. We have beautifully closed like a doji. I believe I believe in some 2 weeks before I say this is going to close like a doji and it is going to push to downside either, or it is not going to push to downside, do anything. And now it is closed as doji. Now the next candlestick is going to get started. Next month candlestick is going to get started. It is going to be bit weak over here and then it is going to push to downside. That right there is going to happen. Ali रे आली आता तुझी बारी आली. Wow, I love this. I just love this currency. Seriously, I am not gonna lie. This is what is going to go down, and I'm going to clip this video. I'm going to clip this video because I know what is going to happen. I just need to take the trade. I'm being evil now. I know what is going to. I'm going to clip this video after 1 week. That brother, look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. Whenever we are above, we're buying. Whenever we are under, we're selling. And right now we are under. A lot more confirmation we're getting. My hardware is getting so good. Tuck, 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 tuck. Look at that. We reach to the daily. Man, this looks so brilliant. We reach to the area of interest. We reject to the area of interest. Wow. Wow means wow. Wow manje wow. I like this. Certainly, I like this. Now we are also creating this higher higher low. No, you know what is going to happen? You don't know? And I will tell you. Come. This is what I was waiting for from time to time after time after time after time. This is the 4 hours is bullish, right? I need 4 hours to go bearish. Once the 4 hours is going to get bearish, 4 hours is not going to get bearish like this. Of course not. I know what is going to happen. 4 hours is going to close like this, and then it is going to close like this, and then it is going to close, and then we're going to take the sell trade over here. When it is going to go up, this EMA is also going to go up like this, and then when it is going to come down, the EMA will be above this. And you may ask like, why you think it is going to go up? Like, why? What you saw? The reason is, now this reason is going to trick your brain. The reason is going to go up because if we go on the monthly time frame, monthly is going to go down. Monthly is going to go down. So if the candlestick is going to get formed to the downside, the wick it must get formed to the upside. Without wick, it will be weird. That candle will be so weird. So the 4 hours is going to go up. That means wick is going to get formed like this. This line is going to get formed to the upside, and then the candlestick is going to get formed to the downside. That right there is a game plan, and we are going to fuck you back a lot. I love this currency. I like this currency. Whatever you say, I just like this currency.
So what will be the proper area of interest? If we say this will be the weekly, this, I mean, this is my number one trade. Number one trade. I'm going to, you know what? Let's type into my community right now, right away. Right away. Oh, have you searched me this? Have you searched who is Updation now? Look at this. As a founder and CEO of, I have dedicated my efforts. I don't know about this, but look at this. Yeah, cute boy. So good. Brother, my peoples, we all are going to make money in next week. If I say that has to happen. My people, brother, my peoples, we all are going to make money next week. So I want to say this to you all. If I say that has to happen, I will share more details tomorrow. It's going to be awesome, man. This is going to be awesome. I love this currency. Just look at that, man. Wow. Just wow. Wow. Yeah, this is the area of interest. We can do this as an area of interest as well. But we got what we want. We just got what we want. Now just waiting for 4 hours to go bearish. That's all we want. That's all we want. I don't want to miss this currency, miss this setup, because if I'm predicting, I want the benefit. 4 hours to go bearish. Looking for, say, probability extremely high. My number one trade. Looking for sell for us to go bearish. Technically, I will wait for a Monday. So weekly is bearish, right? This is the trade, man. This is trade. Weekly is bullish. I mean, super bullish. It has to have to retracement. Now, I think so. A lot of currencies are going to have the selling trade. A lot of currencies. You won't even believe, a lot of currencies. We got so beautifully bearish. Like wow, daily bearish. 4 hours is also, for us is bearish, right? Then 4 hours is bullish. For us is bullish. This will be the trade, man. This will be the trade. Wow. Wow. It's going to be the trade. 4 hours is also bearish, so we have the 20% probability in our hand. Such a beautiful trade. CAD JPY. Now all of the currencies in a JPY is going to have a trade. See, NZD JPY is a bit tricky. Okay, let's delete this. Let's just delete this. This NZD JPY is approaching to the very rude resistance. Now this resistance is going to play around now. We can do this. Alright, we are, yes. We approach to the beautiful resistance down there. I need to delete this again and play it back. See, this is also the resistance level.
and we have came to the resistance level down there. So very high chances that it is going to create the, now it is going to start having the weak, now it is going to, wait, this won't be able to talk. Now it is going to start coming to the downside. If NZD JPY is going to come to the down, CAD JPY is also going to come to the downside. Now it is also going to show the bearish play. Look at this. Just look at this candlestick. Like this boxes we're drawing. This is so correct boxes. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. This is going. This is going to have on Monday. It is going to have the engulfing candle. I believe this is going to happen. This is going to happen, and a whole whole week it is going to come to the downside, and then it is going to come direct niche. This thing is going to happen. I'm like, what? Market has started or what? It's create a week. So before it does, and I will tell you what is going to happen. Tell you. Look at this. It is going to create the engulfing candle like this, and then it is going to create the blue candle like this, bullish, and then it is going to create the red candles, bearish, copy paste like this is going to happen, and this thing is going to create the weekly doji. This thing right there is going to create the weekly doji. Now the doji is going to be over here, the week upside, week to downside, and the next week will be having the push to downside, or I certainly think two things, either doji or either engulfing candle. I know this is going to go down because I know more than you. Yeah, but I even this happens, even if this is going to have such kind of things, I won't be able to take the trade because doesn't looks good. Maybe we'll look in, but this week there is no trade on this currency because there is no pattern, nothing. NZD JPY, I'm waiting for you to create doji on weekly time frame or create the engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. Then I can able to sell you from here to here. Let's go on the GBP wicks plus body is equals to candle. Oh my goodness, this was a lecture. This was a course I was teaching people. Okay, so this has certainly pushed a lot down. It has to have to retracement. Also, we arrived for the rejection level. In the next week, in the next week we'll be having the buying trade. This week it is going to create a doji or engulfing candle. You'll be like, yo, this how in the world this got to know instantly? Like how? Oh my goodness, this is going to someone appreciate my efforts. Look at this, like look, this is going to happen. This thing is going to get bullish. The daily is going to get bullish, and then it is going to retrace, and the day is going to be close. The whole thing is going to happen. That thing is going to create the weekly doji, either a weekly engulfing candle or weekly doji. That right there is a game plan. The once daily got bullish, we're going to buy this currency from here to here. A lot of trades are going to come in the next week. Right now, I don't think that we should be buying this because it will be a low probable. I really like this currency, but I will never buy. I will never catch the falling knife. It is falling knife. There is no rejection. Next week there will be a rejection is going to get created. Once the rejection is created, then we can insert our army to take this currency from below to above. is going to happen. We want confirmation to confirmation. There is no confirmation. All the time frames was bearish. Ah, there is no confirmation on the weekly. To buy on the weekly, we must have the either engulfing or a doji. There is no engulfing, no doji, no trade. If in the next week it is going to create the engulfing, that means one daily is going to get bullish, and either it is going to close over here, that will create the engulfing. If it is close over here after get bullish, then it will create a doji, and then we are going to buy this. That will be left head, right shoulder, buy, boom, up. It's so simple. This thing is so easy, just easy like what this. Wow, wow, wow. We created this week. That week is going to get filled. Look at this. There is no week to the upside. This was waiting for the man. Again, one more trade is going to. We're going to recover all of the losses in the next week for sure. Look at me. Look at my eyes. And I'm saying this has to happen. I'm getting happy because not because I'm going to make money. I'm getting happy because whatever I'm predicting, it is happening to the perfection. That is a recipe for success. If you imagine, if you say that oh, this is a reason, this is a reason, and this is, just because of this reason, this market is going to go up. And if you come in the next week and the market gone up, and you see how, and you're like, holy shit, I have predicted this, I have given the reason. Guess what? If I continue to repeat this, I can I can repeat it, I can predict repeatedly. And guess what? If I can predict the market by using money, by involving my investment, I will continue to make fucking money. This is huge. Euro JPY is going to come down. It is going to happen. I mean, I'm getting so fucking happy. I should not be doing that. Look at this thing is going to have the retracement. It has created doji. This whole week was waiting for this candlestick to get closed like a doji. Exact same. CAD JPY and Euro JPY is exact same. Nothing is changed. The only thing is changed is this. Over here the daily is bullish. Over here the daily is bullish. bullish. Which currency was having the daily bearish then? Weird. Okay, this has created a beautiful lower high. This is going to push to the downside like this is going to go down. You'll be like, yo, this how in the world you how you got to know this is going to go down? Because Desh has the experience. You guys don't have the experience. Look at this. The whole week was waiting for the monthly candlestick closure. Now monthly candlestick is closed. Now it is going to pump downside like anything. Just mark my words. Daily. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, this was a weekly. The daily was got bearish here. Yeah. I was correct. Okay, the daily also have created the beautiful lower high. It is going to create the beautiful engulfing candle downside, man. This looks so brilliantly true. Okay, now we got to know that this is going to go down, but we just need to figure out like how in the world it's going to go down. Let's see, let's predict, let's do our work. Monthly new candlestick is going to get formed. That means it is going to create the week to the upside, but how much? That is what we wanted to find. That's it. Once we find that, we're good to go. There is no data there is no data backside, but I think so. This is a new candlestick form. Let's consider this. I mean, we have to consider something. Oh yeah, look at this. We got the structure down there. So believe me, this is going to weak and this is going to push to downside. I believe the 4 hours is bullish as well. That week is going to be 4 hours is going to get bearish. Okay, believe me, don't believe me. For us is bearish. For us super bearish. This is lower high and this right there is lower low. Man, I'm so hungry. Wait, let me call that. Who is this? Someone is calling me. I don't know how this call is blocked. I'm going to record. हॅलो हां येत आहे का बर 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 चालेल चालेल ठीक आहे ठेवतो बाय ऑलराइट boys my dad is coming. We can't continue this analysis at least for now. After the lunch we'll be continuing this analysis. Let's close this analysis video, but before dad came we have at least 5 minutes. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, even though 4 hours is bearish, it is still creating the higher highs and higher lows. Either I will wait for the see, there are two things. Either I will wait for the candlestick closure below this candle, and no, they didn't give, and wait for retracement and take the trade to the downside, or I will wait for the candlestick close above this candle. This will be the higher low, and then I will wait for the shift of structure, candlestick close below, and then I can able to take the sell trade. 9 out of 10 times I believe this. I want to give I want to show my confidence. 99.9% of time this thing is going to happen. It is going to go up and then is going to push to downside. Only 1% of this is going to happen like this. But why in the world I believe this is 99%? Because monthly have to create the wick to the upside, right? The monthly have to create the wick to the upside. So technically the 4 hours is only the thing which can create the wick to the upside, and 4 hours has a reason to create the wick to the upside. It is going to go up, it is going to create the wick to the upside, then get bearish, and then we can easily take the sell trade. This looks so beautiful. I want this. I literally want this. So yeah, this is what I want, and this is what we are waiting for. So I think so Pratik also came. 4 hours to go bearish, structure in structure. 4 hours to go bearish, structure in structure. Yes, this will be a second point actually. The first point will be monthly wick to get created. That's all I want. The probability extremely high as well. Probability is extremely high. Looking for sell most monthly wick. Mostly कशाला MON monthly wick to get created. 4 hours to go bearish, structure in structure. Structure in structure means this is a 4 hours lower, and this is a structure in structure. I want the candlestick closure either over here or either above this and then close below. But most likely it is going to close above and it is going to close below. I am going to clip this video. Calm down. I'm going to clip this video once this happens. The weekly is bullish, daily is bearish. Weekly is, damn, I don't like this. Weekly is bullish, daily is bearish, 4 hours is bearish. So we got a very good percentage. And look at that, we literally have created the lower high on the weekly. Look at that. You can't able to see because you don't know what I'm talking about. But if you are from my community, if you got learn from me, then you probably know, probably can see and saw and think and
talk like the way I'm talking and the way I can see this is going to go down. I mean, I can give you on paper, man. This is going to go down. Wait, let me give you on paper. I I just want to show you my confidence, man. What is I am Uddesh telling you that Euro JPY is going to go down. Thank you to whoever it concern. Cancer नको who concern. अरे यार I don't want to do type though. To whomever it concern, it must be above. I'm just telling you that Rajip is going to telling you that 199.99999999%. This much probability I have for Eurojip is going to go down. This thing is going to go down like anything. This is going to, and the profit, take profit, at least this will be this easily. Oh my goodness, we're going to make money like anything next week. Super. Yeah, this will be take profit. Technically, take profit must be this, but I will not take this because I know this is going to happen. Even though it rejected from here, I will wait for the one more week to get created. So it is what it is. I'm giving this. Now you saw this. I will delete this now. Delete. Because I don't want a trash in my laptop. Alright, boys. Let's close this, and after lunch we'll continue to do this. Probably so dad is going to come after 10-15 minutes. He don't like me to do trading, so because he think like there's nothing in trading. So I will tell you later on. So we have to finish all of these currencies, but wait, what euro? I don't know. I am going to take the trade on this, but I certainly 100% sure that CAD JPY, Euro JPY, I'm going to take you. I'm going to say grab your. So signing off. The camera angle is not good up till now. Let's go. We'll come back and we'll continue this section 3. Peace. Hello. Hello there. We're back. We're back on the game. Okay. So we were continuing to do the analysis of this trading, but just because of that was going to come, which came after 2 hours almost. तुला गरम पाणी देऊ का चालू करून? थंडच करायचं का? शावर देऊ का चालू करून? मग हा का? अच्छा बघ. So that came after almost not 2 hours, almost 1 hour. So I was watching this Dovi FX for 1 hour, and after that we did the lunch. Now we are doing the analysis. Oh my goodness, what the fuck is this? It is still loading phases. Yeah, it is loading phase. Brother, this is the continuation of the analysis what we were doing. I probably guess we were doing. Oh yeah, Euro JPY. So let's recap what we were looking for in the Euro JPY. I am pretty honest. I'm pretty much 99.99999999% sure that this is going to go down. This thing is going to drop like anything. On Monday we will be going to take the trade. I just want 4 hours to go bullish. Yeah, this is need to be good. 0 day. 0 day Monday. MONDAY. Alright, Euro JPY done. Odd CAD, not interested. Euro odd, not interested at all. Euro GBP, bit tricky, brother. Man, look at the stairs. It literally creates the stairs. It is going to create a doji or some kind of engulfing candle, and next week we'll be having a counter trade on this currency. Right now nothing, it's just going to be sideways. It is going to start and then come back, and there will be no trade on this. GBP USD, the exact same thing on the Euro USD. I like this, but the way it is presenting right now, that the way I'm not liking it, because it is showing the rejection from here, and even if we are going to buy, where the tool, no, the tool must be here. Now see the tool is going to be arise over here. Okay, 3 2 1, see, look at this, like this is like weird stuff of the Mac. This is not a problem with the trading view. This is a problem with the I don't know, because I was using the same thing in this. Okay, not a good step. This is only the good step. You can sit over here. So, what do do? Check. This recording is on. Yeah. Camera angle is perfect. Camera is almost up till here. So this all box is getting consumed up till here. So up till here you can see. Yeah, perfect. So I can't buy this top, and even though we are buying almost in the toppest point of this move, I will wait for the retracement where it is going to come, retrace and push. Have this. So I am waiting for the red candle to close like this, bearish, on the weekly. Once that happens, then I will be wait for the rejection candle, and then I will be buying in this currency. Right now there is no opportunity. Or JPY created some kind of rejection, absolutely not liking it. What about GBP JPY GJ? Certainly this is looking tic tac. I was waiting for the engulfing candle, which does kinda created. Oh, we got bearish on the daily. We're also showing the rejection on this. This week is going to get filled. I mean, this is going to be the trade, but this is going to be a little bit risky trade we can talk about. This thing is being recorded. Yeah, that's my house window. Should be doing. Can we just do like this so that it will be? Haha, looks good, isn't it? My face is getting more observed. Oh, yeah. Now looks good. This week is going to get filled. That is the reason this has got bearish. Has this? I hope this 4 hours is also going to be the 4 hour. I saw this structure somewhere. Euro JPY. The exact same thing. Look at this. GJ. Asia, I missed the Asia. I didn't like. GJ, I am kinda liking it, but I need the engulfing candle on the weekly time frame, which is what is going to happen in the next week. Once we are got engulfed, then we can able to take the trade, but we can certainly predict what is going to be, because I know what is going to happen. The only thing is, do I am going to take the trade daily and weekly. This is the area of interest. Whenever we are above, we're buying. Whenever we are under, we're selling. So this is, I know this is going to travel from here to here. Even we can do like this. Now this looks so good. I don't know, man. This is most probably this is the area of interest. This is a good area of interest, and we are above this area of interest. I need an engulfing candle closure below up till here. Then we'll be taking the then where the retracement is going to happen. Then it is going to push to the downside.
That means it is going to close below EMA. I know this is going to go down. I don't know. Should I take this trade or should I skip this? ROW Rohit. Should I take this fucking trade? It will start from here. Wick. Push to the downside. Oh yeah, brother. This is going to do this. Just click now. It has created a higher low. Now lower high to create a new lower low. Look at this. This is a thing. This is a lower high, brother. This right there is a lower high. Man, this thing is going to happen. This is going to happen. I feel like this is going to push the downside like this. That will be sure. This thing is going to happen. I'm just sure about this. I am just sure about this. I was waiting for this. We got this. Now I am waiting for this. This is going to happen. But what in the world we have to do? One, two, three. This is the area of interest, but we are above that area of interest. Now we are above. We're buying, buying, buying. I need at least the candlestick closure, or we can consider this as the area of interest. And आवरलं रोहित म्हणजे तू सांग मला झालं.
It's 5 o'clock.
Bye. So either or we are above this area of interest. I need the candlestick closure down. Once that happens, it is going to come to the downside. That right there is the game plan. And I believe in this. That this again the same thing on the Euro JPY. We have said that this is going to go up, and then it is going to push to downside. Then it is going to retrace to the EMA 4 hours EMA, and then we can able to sell from here to here easily. I'm shortlisting. But the only thing is, this is bit risky trade, but it is same like Euro JPY. It is same like the same pattern. We can easily, take that trade. But this all the trades are bit same. We need to look into it. Just look at this. It's so beautiful. It is going to go up, create the higher high, new higher low under the EMA. Wow, in the time flying, fucking hell. I like this. So I am waiting for the 4 hours to. Oh, not like this, not like this, not like this. We must be do this setup thing. So this is the weekly. Weekly is bullish. Bullish. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bearish. Now we are in the game. And the 4 hours is also bearish. The 4 hours is also bearish. Done. We are God. We are good. This next week we'll be making like money like anything. I need 4 hours to go bearish. That's all I want. BARISH. Looking for sell. Probability is high. So this is going to be on Monday. 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 Alright, this is what I'm tomorrow is the JPY currency. Next week is going to be the JPY trades. Let's delete every single thing because it is not looking good. Alright, this is going to get filled. Look at this. Like all the JPY is saying that this is all the JPY is going to go down, and USD JPY is also saying that it is going to go down. Like how good this trades all JPYs looks. है ना रोहित? बड़ा सपना. Nah, this looks so brilliant. Like wow.
We're also having this rejection, like 1 2 area of interest. We can also have this as the area of interest, to be honest. This will be the more good area of interest, previous structure area. How about daily? I don't think so it is going to come this big up, because it has a lot of price sellers are down there. I personally think like it is going to come up here. I mean, I don't know why, but I feel like it is going to be. Yeah, look at this. Like, look at this beautiful thing. If this is going to come up here, it is also going to weak into the EMA, daily EMA. Also, oh, it will be about 4 hours. 4 hours will get bullish. We just want 4 hours to go bearish, and that right there is the game plan. That's it. That's it. That right there is only it. Can we shift this right there? One, two, three. Yeah, maybe. Where are we in the move? We are on the toppest top on the move. Tomorrow, next week, not tomorrow. Next week, all the JPY currencies are going to go down. Just mark my words. That was not a good area of interest. This is only the area of interest. I think so. It is a. it is valid. I'm pretty much sure that it is going to just weak and then this thing is going to happen. Also, we have created the lower high on the daily. I just want for us to go bearish. That's all I want. If I get the trade. If I don't, I don't. For us to go bearish. For us to go bearish. This is going to come on Monday. Monday. Bearish. Weekly is bearish. Daily is as well bearish. For us, technically bullish. So we have 20% in our hand. We need for us to go bearish. That's all we need. This looks so good. I mean, wow. If we can do like this, will be good. Are we good? This is also the area of interest we can talk about on a daily, but we are inside that area of interest. Nah, but we are. That right there is not a good thing. This is only the area of interest. I think so. I not think. We can see one, two, three. Technically, we should be retracement. We should have the retracement, but then this week will be feel weird. Look at this. What feels weird? Now it must turn to bullish, blue color, bullish, bullish. Now it. Holy shit! Why it is not changing? Yeah. So now, does this feel weird? Yeah, this feels weird like anything. Or this feels like a market structure. Right. Yes. It is going to weak. Oh, wait. I can see something. This is a fair value gap, right? Hold on. The fair value gap is over here as well. This right there is the fair value. Oh, look at this. If this is going to come till here, it will also weaken to the daily EMA. Looks good, isn't it? So what if we? I have to do something. This
this is the area of interest, but then daily has no structure on this area of interest. Like, look at this, there is no structure. I don't know. On a weekly, I like this area of interest. On the daily, I daily. I like this area of interest on a daily. Zala? मैं थन्ने देवला. Hold on, guys. का रे? बाय. तेव्हा टीम सोबत मीटिंग करत होता. टीम क्या चल रहा है? So this is the area of interest on the daily. I'm just finding and adjusting and fine tuning something that we can. Yeah, this right there looks good as well. But for now, this is the area of interest I can able to see. We also, we will be also looking into this area of interest because the pressure is so big that it is just going to melt down. I don't think so. It is going to come and then fill this fair value gap, and then this is going to push to downside. I personally don't think so. It is because the wicks, there is no wick to the upside. It is going to melt down like anything. So yeah, this is, we do have two area of interest. This is the daily area of interest, and then this is a weekly area of interest. Everything is going to get decided once this 4 hours is going to get beer. Once this 4 hours is going to get bearish, that's it. So next is I have shortlisted USD JPY. The 4 hours and we just need 4 hours to go bearish. That's it. That's it. It's the same repetitive thing. I may not be taking the trade on USD JPY. I have a lot of other currencies in our hand. But this is it. Okay, that's so big rejection down there. Still at this. I haven't done any loss on this because I haven't took any trade. I have missed the profit, but then I missed the loss as well. So let's do this. Now we got the engulfing candle. Now we are ready to push to the downside. Okay. So this is structure, and we are below the structure. We got the engulfing candle. Do you understand this is the engulfing candle? Wait a minute, this is the exact same pattern on the GBP CAD. Oh, this is going to come down. I don't think so. It is a high probable for taking the pattern. Doesn't it? Doesn't that sounds good? So this is pushing. This is going to push to downside as per the data, as per the things I can able to see. Do we have anything which is going to support? Yeah, we do have a lot of things down there. This is the good area of interest. We are above buying, below is selling. No. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a beautiful area of interest. I am certainly no. This is not going to weak. Certainly going to push to downside because if it is going to weak, that will be weird. Because the push, I have learned this new thing that when no, I will not tell you. That thing right there is going to be just for premium peoples. If you want to be premium, support, come and subscribe. So now weekly has done his business. Now the daily is going to do his business.
1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, delete this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and technically 5 as well. So we do have the area of interest because we need just a wick and then push to the downside. But that thing doesn't look good to me. I don't know. The 4 eyes also beautifully structured into this. Whenever we are above buying, whenever we're selling, same repetitive things. But how about if we keep this as the area of interest, and if we do this, it still will be not reaching to the CMF. I don't know I will consider this or not, but whatever I can able to see, I just can see that this thing is going to go down because this liquidity grab just happened. Whole thing got liquidity grab. Now it is going to go down because all the buyers converted into sellers. Now we are going to push to downside, and the push is going to be like your eyes will be open like anything. It will going to be the huge push like anything. This market is going to crash or what? Why I'm getting this kind of feelings? So it doesn't have the time to create the lower high. It is already have the lower high. It is going to push and then it is going to create the lower high and then it's going to push to the downside. Technically, दादा साहेब त्यांचंच वॉइस आहे का दुसरे नवीन this is the higher low, this I am thinking that it's going to push and weak and then go down, but the way it has created down, gone created new. Wait, because I have learned this. Hold on, I will show you. Oh wait, that thing is gone close. Wait, let me remind. ठीक है. 1, 2, 3. This is given this. I want for us candlestick to close on this area of interest. And then I want some rejection candle, then some bearish play, and then we will be looking to take the trade. Technically, I like this, but I didn't like yo, this is it, like the CAD JPY, Euro JPY. This cardingals. Now we're just going to wick and then push to the downside. It will be not having any chance to create the lower high to create the new lower low, because that is what I have learned, and I was waiting for the lower high to get created. I have missed almost 20 to 25 lakhs, seriously, in January, and in December I almost missed 10 lakhs just to wait for this. Now I'm updating the things, we'll be not waiting for it. I want to see that, but I can't now. What to do? I still like this area of interest, man. Recording is on, right? Yeah. Yeah. Higher low, this structure. Still like this. want the daily candlestick closure and then push to downside, or just we can push to the downside. I think I saw this pattern, man. Somewhere down there I saw this pattern. Wait. Let's just go on to my back testing data. I saw this pattern. Trading things. Kinda, this is not that. I saw that pattern, man, previously. This is the same exact same pattern. Look at this. Just look at it. It's created the engulfing candle, shifted. Now it is weak and then go up. Same thing. It has. This is lower. It is not shifted, but it is. It has given the engulfing candle. Now it is going to weak and then go to downside. Do you even see? Like I'm taking a lot of time to see and check. Previously I was not doing these things and I was missing the trades on trades. We shifted, got engulfing and weak and gone up. Shifted, got engulfing. What I should do, man? This data is saying not good. I mean, this data says that we need to wait for the candlestick closure. I remember here I saw that pattern somewhere down there, somewhere down the road. Now it is not finding, but I remember this is the pattern I saw. Yeah. Should we wait for the? Are we going to wait for the rejection candle? I mean the retracement. Wait, again I need to check. Last confirmation. Are we waiting for the rejection candle, or are we just going to do? Monday itself we took the trade. Candlestick closes happen. Candlestick closes happen. Oh, candlestick close happen. Same thing. Yeah. So should I mean that's a question now I need to ask to myself. Should I wait for it? Because at least one day candlestick is going to get close over here. Oh, So if it is going to weak, oh wait, monthly, right? Oh, monthly is a bit weird down there. Monthly has created the higher low to go up. Is it really? It created a higher low to go up, but it came down. Created a higher low to go up, but it came down. Okay. So now if we are deciding to go down, what is the probability of going down? What it has to do? Look at this is a fair value gap. If you consider this, oh no, we need to create the wick and then push it down, sir. बापरे फॅन पडणार त्यांचा फॅनचा आवाज ऐकला त्यांचा समोरच्यांचा ठक 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 I'm just not understanding. Should I wait for the candlestick rejection or should I not? Because even if I am waiting for the 4 hours engulfing, because it has created a higher low. If a 4 hours candlestick is close over here, I need to think more on this. If 4 hours candlestick is going to close on this, then we need one doji candle and then we need one engulfing candle. This is still not I at least need one closure, one candle closure. Next is, okay, we'll look into it. 3:30, 7:30, that is 3:30 to 7:30 it's going to be close. 7:30 is going to start, 11:30 is going to create a doji, and then 15:30 is going to create the engulfing candle to the downside, and at 19:30 okay, look at this. It's going to close on this area of interest. At 19:30 it is just can't push to the downside because the volume is going to get less. Even if it is going to close like this, after 19:30 we can't be able to take the trade, and we just can't able to take the trade down here. Look at this. After a lot of brainstorming, we understand that it's going to close on this area of interest. So if it wanted to close on the area of interest, this is the area of interest is going to close. So I need the daily candlestick closure, and then we're going to push to the downside. Understand? I don't know about you, but I understand myself. Daily retracement candle. One day, that is, we are going to check this on Monday, Tuesday. TUESDAY. Weekly is technically bearish. Daily is bearish as well. The 4 hours is also bearish. Look at that. We got the all time frame in sync, and we are ready to go to the downside. But it is going to come to the upside first. I want daily candlestick closure. Once that happens, then we'll be looking into restricting the trade to the downside. So a bit tricky. This is not that high. This is like a medium. Press on to the shortlisted. Again, confirmation. I want a daily candlestick closure and then daily rejection candle. Should we wait for the rejection candle? It will be awesome if we, but we'll look into it once the 4 hours reach. Once the 4 hours, I need to see 4 hours price action. But that is confirmed that we're going to wait for the daily candlestick closure. That's it. Let's go on GBP NZD. Technically, this trade has gone. This is exactly what is going to happen. Like weak and then push to the downside. Exactly what is going to happen. I just missed this trade, so we're not going to take any trade down there. It's like this. We need some kind of candlestick closure on the area of interest. Not interested. Audio is not interested. USD CAD. Certainly. Let's check it out. USD CAD I predicted happen. It won't be able to take the trade. Okay, boys, we're going to pump to the downside. We don't need anything. We just need this wick. Is there anything over here? The downside? No, upside is only the thing. Yeah, upside is only the thing. But there is, I mean, one, two, three. Even if you're going to extend its upside, not downside, we'll keep like this. The next candle is going to wick and then push to the downside. So I need the daily candlestick closure on this. I need the daily candlestick closure. Can we get any kind of rejection from here? Okay. Okay, we do have the rejection, but will not consider that because there is no rejection from current scenario. If we got the rejection, we'll consider that area of interest. If we don't, we will just wait for the price daily to close on this area of interest. Once that close, then we need the rejection candle. Then we can easily take the trade. If trade is going to play out, we are going to make certain money, very much money, because the risk reward ratio is so big. Okay, this is the higher high. So just need for us to go bearish, daily candlestick closure. Absolutely, this is going to happen. When the 4 hours is going to come, daily is going to close over here, and then it is going to get bearish. That is going to make the daily doji, and next once it bearish, then it is going to push to the downside. Same thing, nothing more. We just need a week and then push to down because this is going to get fill. How about monthly? Oh. Monthly is about to create the new lower low. No, not about. It is going to get bearish, so it has to have very much pressure down there. Going to create like this. This thing is going to come up till here. Just need to figure out to take the trade over here and just push to the downside. Technically, look at this. It came, fill the fair value gap, gone down. This is fair value gap. Okay, we'll look into it, This is the area of interest. I mean, this is a fair value gap. We'll look into it. Hold on. We'll put the area of interest over here of it daily. Daily. Oh, daily. This is super rejection down there. Yeah. Whenever we are above buying, look at this is beautiful area of interest.
Either I want the candlestick closure on this area of interest, on this area of interest. That's it. Khal. For us to, this is the weekly bearish, bearish, for us is bullish. Babu. Yeah, beautiful. Look at this is also the EMA. Then the 4 hours. Daily needs a retracement. It is going to close. We need daily candlestick closure, and then we need we can able to take the trade 4 hours to go bearish as well. Close like this. And then this, if this is going to be the rejection candle, that will be awesome as well. ठीक है. From it is high, looking this high. Yeah. Cool, man. This is so beautiful. Just take that like a probability high. What the fuck? It's not interested. Euro NZD. I'm also not interested in this. Odd NZD. What's up with this, guys, man? I mean, I'm just not interested with these currencies. Even though I know it is going to weak and then push to the downside up till here, we can take the intraday, but I'm just done with this intraday, not good trades. That right there. But this is going to do this. This thing is going to come and create a doji right there. I am not interested. Why in the world I'm putting the time? Not interested in this. Not interested. Okay, boys, we have successfully finished our analysis. So this is going to be a section 4th of this video. That is going to be the what we are going to look into. What trades we are going to look into next week. So let's first of all we'll first organize and then we'll start the section 4th of this video. Organization means I'm really not interested in this currency, but you know what, let's just discard this currency because we do have a lot of good currencies. I don't want to mess around with this. GBP CAD, I'm just discarded you. CAD JPY, it is like 100% guarantee it is going to go down. This one 4 hours to go bearish, so it is coming on the today, that is Monday. I mean I just want to open the chart and wanted to see what trades I'm going to take today. So I'm going to open the chart on the Monday, so I wanted to see what trades I'm going to take today. So this is the today's trade. CAD JPY. Euro GPY is also going to be on the Monday. Just need 4 hours to get bearish. I will also recap what I'm looking into in each and every single currency. 4 hours to get bearish as well. UJ 4 hours to go bearish. Again this Euro CAD daily retracement candle, that means tomorrow, that is on Tuesday. USD CAD daily retracement candle / rejection candle. Done. Okay, so before I say anything, I want to see what is the most probable trade. So we have a 2 time frame in sync. We got the rejection candle. We just waiting for 4 hours. CAD JPY is, I feel like CAD JPY is the most high probable because the 4 hours is going to get shifted. That's true, but this will be a fresh structure is going to get formed. CAD JPY is my number one trade. My number one trade. This is the most. I love this currency. I don't like because the if 4 hours is going to shift, it is going to be the fresh shifted. In Euro JPY, 4 hours is lower low is this, and 4 hours lower high is this. So even if it is going to shift, that will be not the actual shift. So that is the reason Euro JPY is. I'm so waiting for the 4 hours to get shifted. Also in we do create a rejection candle as well. Weekly didn't have the weekly rejection. We do have weekly rejection. Okay, chalo. All trades the same. If CAD JPY is going to go down, all the currencies are going to go down. GJ is also the not the fresh. Also we are about bit tricky. We didn't have the engulfing candle as well. This is also we need the 4 hours to go bearish. UJ 4 hours to go bearish as well. I want 4 hours to go bearish. I'm just first of all I'm organizing and then I will summarize what I'm looking into all the currencies. Uh, this is a bit tricky, but I just want the 4 hours candlestick closure, daily candlestick closure as well, and then push to the downside. USD CAD on the other hand, I want the daily retracement candle slash rejection candle and 4 hours to go bearish. Alright, let me summarize what we are looking into. So let's start the section 4. The last section of this video is going to be end up within 2 minutes. So this is the weekly time frame I am waiting for. I'm predicting that this is going to close right this. So I'm going to take the sell trade from here to here. Okay. So we got the weekly daily rejection candle. Now I'm waiting for the just 4 hours to go bearish. Once the 4 hours got bearish, I'm going to take the sell trade from here to here. That's the CAD JPY. My number one trade. This is going to be number one trade. Euro JPY on the other hand, this right there has created the lower high, took the new lower low. This is going to create the candlestick, red candlestick from here to here. I'm going to sell from here to here. So daily has also given the beautiful rejection. Is going to have the beautiful engulfing, then retrace, and it is going to close that loop. What we are waiting for 4 hours to go bearish like this. 4 hours is going to go up, exactly it is going to go up, come down, come up. Over here we're going to take the sell trade and then we're going to take profit over here. And GJ, I mean every single currency is bit same. So in the GBP JPY, I'm predicting that this week is going to get filled. This is a daily time frame, and technically I am waiting for the 4 hours to go bearish. Then I'm going to take the sell trade from here to here. What will be the take profit of this? The take profit will be some kind of this. Yeah, actually the take profit will be this. So USD JPY on the other hand, I'm just waiting for wick and then push to the downside. This is going to be the very good risk reward ratio trade. I'm waiting for the 4 hours to go bearish. That's it on the USD JPY. And once it is going to happen, I'm going to take the sell trade from here to here. From here, like this, to here. This is all the currencies is going to come trade on the Monday. So now on the Euro CAD, on the other hand, Euro CAD, we got the weekly engulfing candle. I'm just waiting for wick and then push to the downside. So which is going to have the candlestick. I'm waiting for the candlestick closure on the area of interest, and then I'm waiting for the 4 hours to go bearish. It is going to happen like this, like this, like this, and like this, like this, like this,
and then it is going to push to downside, where we are going to take the sell trade from here to here. That is going to happen. USD CAD on the other hand, how much hands I have, look at this. So it is going to wick and it is going to push it down. It is going to create the candlestick down there. I'm just waiting for the daily candlestick, daily rejection candle, so that it is showing that it is going to reject this area, and then we are going to wait for the 4 hours to shift of structure to bearish. What I'm saying means is this: I am waiting for the 4 hours to shift like this, and then I'm going to take the sell trade from here to here. Tomorrow is the beautiful risks to reward ratio trades are going to come. Not tomorrow, next week. A lot beautiful risks to reward ratio trade. Even though we lose half of the time, will we make a lot money than your salary. So stay tuned for it. Are we going to make money or are we going to lose money? We'll look into it. This is what it is. This is the finish of the whole round of the analysis. We started with the um, what is before after. We started with the updating. Section 1 was updating the trading plan. Section 2 was a before and after. Section 3 was the pure analysis of what trades we are going to take, what my thought process about trades, why I'm not looking, why I'm looking. And in section 4, I summarize what trades I'm going to take into next week. This is what it is, and I'm sharing this completely free on YouTube. I think so. I should stop doing this. I may stop doing it. I just want to. I'm using the YouTube as my storage. That's it. So it is what a storage and a proof. This is what it is. Signing off. Have the wonderful weekend over there. See you in the next week. Signing off. Let's get rich.